Announcement.
this
Hello,
runs out,
everyone.
it doesn't actually
Looks
run
like
out.
everything's
Hello.
working. Everything's probably working. I will send out an announcement. Oh, I need to pop you out so you people can see at Bitlytic Vision.
So I think the last thing I need is card discarded? Question mark? Maybe.
Card
I think would be
discarded.
the last thing. Maybe. Because I think this would be
Wrist
anytime
really
card
does
runs
hurt
out
for
of
some
charges
reason.
or gets like got rid of. Did you say we were getting rid of the dissolve effect, or what are we doing?
I think that they should go into like a discard pile. You know,
Okay.
kind of like how we had the idea of having the little tiny card like draw pile sticking up in the corner, like the same thing but for discard. Ow, I'm going to
Interesting.
let me try.
I don't know how I feel about that.
I don't know why my other arm is suddenly hurting. It's annoying me. Because like with my other hand I could just use my mouse and like do stuff that didn't involve typing. But now it's like, let me try my wrist brace, see if that helps. I'm currently dying of a horrible injury for everybody that doesn't know.
An injury.
Everybody, anybody, whatever the correct terminology is, yeah. Injury. Played too much Rivals.
Diagnosed with too sweaty.
Oh, did I put this
Wait,
on?
ledge dashed one too many times.
Yeah. No, I'm almost certain it was from shielding.
Yeah. Which hand do you shield with more? Do you use
Left.
trigger or right trigger?
Yeah, it was
You use left,
100%
okay.
left because I used like my pointer finger and that was the finger that was hurting.
How do I shield in Rivals now is a good question.
Because that's the
I
other
guess I
thing
don't
is
shield,
that's
like-
also what I use for like all my shortcuts for like A sprites. When I'm
Yeah.
switching between like brush and eraser and selection, it's like all my pointer finger. So
So I was thinking about changing the way that this works a little bit. So whenever a card gets used,
try it with
Card that
the wrist
activates
brace, see if that
calls.
helps.
activate calls that and use card.
Announcement is
I don't
sent.
Make that. Use card. Triggers -1.
I'm happy that my
Card cooldown.
the hand that was hurting is feeling a lot better, so that means that it's not like a horrible issue that will last forever. Like I have pretty much no pain right now in that hand.
When do I think assert is useful? I'm trying to figure that out myself a little bit.
Oh, I don't have your chat open, and we don't share chat on.
Oh, yeah.
At Bitlytic.
Oh, and my chat thing isn't open actually.
That's really awkward.
Yeah. So for assert, buddy, I need you to be on a different monitor right now, buddy. I need you to be not down there at the bottom of my screen. Whatever, it's down there forever. So asserts are useful for something that you kind of assume will never be the case. I'm really trying to figure it out myself, to be honest with you. Because alternatively, I could just do if and dot as card and do a negation on that. Then I could do like push error ga. But the reason that we use assert here is because if this ever becomes true, or I guess if this ever becomes false, so assert true means this will do nothing. Assert false means it will trigger a breakpoint, and I can actually show you. So I don't have a breakpoint here. Did I lie? Maybe I lied. No, okay, there we go. So you can see that it triggered an assert because this registers as false, which means that we get a debug breakpoint so we can go through and check on things. But in terms of the actual like build, this kind of gets like swapped out and doesn't exist. So it's kind of just like a debugging feature of just like, I think this is going to be the case, but please let me know if it ever isn't, because if it isn't, that's a problem. So pretty much that. Let me think about, so card activate, sorry. So what exactly do you do? You spawn the visual, which this is like old shit that we don't exactly want anymore, but I guess is gonna be there forever.
My 3D printed wrist rest for my keyboard actually works surprisingly well. It's basically just like a brick, and that's it. But it works.
Long brick. Remember that one? Remember that old meme? No one
No.
prepares you for the emotional toll of long brick. No? Okay, fair
No.
enough. I
Boomer.
forgot you're like 12.
Yeah, boomer.
So I kind of want to split out use card. Use card is being used in a few different places, correct?
Use card is
inside of
being
availability,
used.
Use card is being used.
Oh, doing pixel art with the wrist brace might be difficult.
So I kind of want to move this into
Oh, this is
deck,
funny.
'cause I think it should be one use card.
But maybe we do the. Is there something wrong with my monitor? Does it just look like that?
And then card, use card. Use card does what? Activated emit,
I don't know.
card cooldown, minus equals charges. Great. And activate does what? All of this plus use card. So I can actually kill this. And then add this here. And then
Something's weird with my monitor, but whatever.
put this signal in here so this emits every time we use the card. And the reason we want to do that is because of something. I don't know exactly, but I think ideally everything that uses the card should go through here. Let me think for a moment.
Thinking.
I'm thinking as fuck, dude. So let's change this. Instead of doing use card, I want to do deck.use card. And then pass in the card instance. Okay, so like that. So what exactly does this do? How does this change anything? Is a terrific question that I don't have the answer for yet.
Can't say much, but does anyone have a good procedural animation tutorial?
Cool. Okay, that does work.
Yeah, let me go find it.
Change. So if I go back to new deck here. So I kind of want this to know how many, I guess I could just do like if card dot charges less than or equal to 0. Card discarded dot emit card.
Here's a good procedural animation tutorial for you.
I think that should be fine. And then that means that I can... Oh, should card visual know about... Hold on. So I have to choose one of like 3 places to put this information. Let me jot down a quick note of where this could go. Get out of here. Get out of here. Close all. Close all. Yeah, thank you, Windows. Thank you for popping up that notification sound every single time. So the way that the deck and card works top down is we have our deck, which contains card instances. And then we also have card visuals, which contain a card instance as well. The deck doesn't know about card visuals. Do I want the card visual to know about the deck? Kind of, but like... I guess it looks more like this. So hand has card visuals, which has card instances, which is the same thing as these stored card instances, and the hand is able to look at the deck. So I could have the hand pass down the information, but I don't... I don't know how I feel about that. Does the hand know about this stuff? Do you know about the card that you've got equipped? Or do you not? I don't think you do. Equipment slot. Technically no. I mean, kind of, but like not really. So. These should also all be current selector. It's a little not annoying, but I'm just trying to figure out what the best place for this to be would be.
I
I
don't
could
know.
have a signal, or I could have a listen inside of here. That's annoying. Wait, why don't you do anything? Charge is emptied, I guess is never called. Weird. Really weird, actually. So here's the UI. Hold on. Instance charge is emptied. Charge is emptied is called in here. Okay. Oh, okay. I think I've got an idea. Perhaps.
Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs, I have an idea.
Oh, yeah, so true.
Sorry, my fault. Let's see. So I could have this unequipped a card. Ooh, no.
No.
Well, no, I definitely could. I could say like if card equals equipped card, unequipped card. So this would unequip it whenever I do this. I go like, that unequips. Doesn't discard it though, which is a little annoying, but whatever. This does pass it back into the hand though, which is like kind of ass and cheeks. So I'm thinking maybe we don't do that.
Yeah, I'm thinking maybe we don't do that.
Although, no, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Because this emits the signal card unequipped, which is fucking annoying.
This wrist brace low-key kind of comfy, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, let me find out what this would do. I'm curious now. Deck.card. Discarded. Connect on card. Discarded. Which means we need this function declared. So this would, for visual in visuals, visual dot, if visual dot instance equals card. I'll just print this out for a second. I don't remember how we're doing this in the current code, so I'll have to actually take a look and see. Is it in here? Yes, it is. It's here, and card, dissolve card. Dissolve card is the method I want. This does card activate, instantiate. Gives it that, and that adds the child and sets the card. Okay, terrific. And then inside of here, back where this was, I can grab that scene. Okay, we're getting there, potentially.
Potentially.
Oh shit, I need to remove that from the visual. Ah shit, fuck off, fuck off. Visuals dot erase visual. And then I also need to have all position cards, or position visuals again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, very new to go and seeing all that's happening. The player node alone is terrifying. Can't stay for now, but we checking out your channel seems fun. It is fun. It is a lot, but it's you don't have to do all of it at once. It's mostly stuff that you add on to over time, thankfully. This unequipped. Why did this unequip? Why did you unequip? New deck.d. Am I calling unequipped somewhere? I am. Sorry. If card changes to 0 and that. That didn't work. Ooh, cool. Okay. Is that a bug that we currently have in the game? Or is that specifically for this new code that I just wrote that's ass cheats?
What bug? I don't know.
Whenever you... Oh, it's because I'm calling unequipped. That's why.
Oh.
Oops.
Silly.
Yeah. Okay, it was because I was calling unequipped. However, that's still a problem. Although, hold on. You don't necessarily have to be... You don't necessarily have to know about that, do you? I guess the equipment could handle that. Yeah, I think it could, but I don't want to. Funk solve hard. Void. Third instance. Or discard card. If card equals equip card. Ah, shit. No, I should do that here. That's stupid and dumb. Bad. Very bad. So this would be this var. No, not here. Oopsie. Or no, not oopsie. But yes, oopsie.
Oopsie. Not
oopsie. And card. If it's this, then we want to discarded equals visual, and then erase it from the list. I'm gonna say if not visual, if equipment slot dot equipped card equals card. Well, are you a visual? Your hand card. Okay, dope. Cool.
Oops.
If equipped card and equipped card dot instance equals. Sorry, I see chat moving just a little bit, but give me a moment. I'm locking in. Okay, so if we have a discarded card now, then I want to say if discarded Solve vegetable discarded. I would also like to say equipment slot dot unequip card. Yes. I think that works. Only thing this doesn't do is let the equipment know, like the actual player equipment know that the card has been unequipped, but I think that's fine for now. Okay, so that card did disappear, but it's still attached to the player. That's fine. I hit middle click and it unequipped, and I didn't expect it to, but that's... Uh-oh. Okay, sorry, a traditional day on Saudi a word? Sorry, I'm not 100% understanding what you... Excuse me. I'm not 100% understanding what you're saying, but these assets are drawn by my friend here, this guy that I have on the stream. He's actually drawing some more stuff right now over here. Look at him go. Everyone's looking at your drawing now.
Oh. Trying to draw with a wrist brace on. It's not going very
They're all
well.
like, damn, bro, this guy's drawing with a wrist brace on. This looks terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's terrible.
A lot of coding. How do you understand it? Repetition, mainly. Pretty much that. If visual... Excuse me. Fuck. Okay, so I unequip the card from the player again, which is a problem because you should be here. Card unequipped is a signal. Are you using new deck? You are. I'm gonna put your card. Okay. I also want to have a one card removed. Who are you? Oh, sure. Fuck it. Deck dot card. Discarded decks. Card discarded. Yes, I think that's what I want. I should unequip it, perhaps. Oh shit, it didn't actually... Oh no, it does position the cards, it's just that it looks weird. And then this should unequip the card and discard it, and now whenever I attack... Yeah, okay, cool. Uh-oh. Your card is being called because of the function unequip card. What? Wait, what? Oh. Wait, no. Huh?
Huh?
Equip card, unequip card.
Hmm?
Equipped card is apparently set, despite the fact that I just killed it. Oh, 'cause I never got rid of that, did I? Where's the discard card signal being called again? If card, or if card equals equipped card equals null, perhaps? I think is what I want. Oh, sorry. There's a thing called 2D HD2D. I don't really like it. Because it's kind of too many post-processing effects all in one. And kind of just becomes like a mush of nothingness. Hey, that didn't... Why didn't that do that? How am I doing it currently? take a look at this file on the current branch because I want to see how I'm doing this because I think there's an issue with the way I'm coding this I need to account for. Player equipment.gd. So the way that we're currently doing it is... Oh shit, sorry, that's the current code. Where is... Player equipment is somewhere on my screen right now, I think. I cannot find it.
Probably is.
There it is. So we were just doing on hand card removed. We were doing on card removed, which was a function that did remove card. Sick. It called the put away function. Okay. And then also emit a signal called card removed, which was off of this, which then linked into the player, I think. No, I have no idea where that was being used. I don't think it was, to be honest with you. No, I don't think it was. Okay, that's fine. So I think instead what I can do is I can say current ability dot put away. So when this runs out of ammo, this should discard itself and not actually... It shouldn't stop the last shot. It does. Shit. What am I doing wrong? So our old code was working fine, and I broke it. Many such cases.
Many such cases.
Many such cases, actually. So clear card, we disconnect, we set the ability on the card to that, clear card, and now we do current ability unequip. Why are we doing current ability unequip? Oh wait, am I stupid? Did I put this in the wrong spot?
You might
I
be.
think I did. Shit. I think I put this in the wrong spot. Hold on. Card unequipped. It would be in clear card. It'd be this. These two are swapped, I think. Cool, and now it's not actually unequipping. Fuck.
Rip.
Damn it. Do that. Clear card does put away. Put away is a function that sets putting away to true.
Wonderful.
Exiting. This is empty. We just do queue free. What was the purpose of this exactly? Well, I know what the purpose of it is, but like. Okay, let me try refreshing this. Oh, sorry. You feel that 3D gaming or 2.5D is good, 2D is old, and there's no new ideas? I disagree. I think that there's a lot of things that we haven't done in any medium of gaming yet. For better or for worse. Okay, maybe I didn't have...
I think Balatch would be
Maybe
better
I'm-
if it was 3D.
Alright, buddy. Yeah, that's not... Okay, hold on. I don't remember what this code does, apparently.
Apparently.
So in player equipment, sure. Clear card. Clear card is called in two cases, which is when the card is unequipped, we will do unequip and then clear card. And then if the card is discarded, console.print discarding. Fuck it. We're gonna do the old prints. Clearing. On-equipping. We're gonna roll this back, and we're just gonna try this. So, okay, so clearing is called whenever I swap between them. That's wrong. That's very wrong. It should be calling this. Is it not? You should be on card equipped on top one. Well, then that raises a few different questions, but it's fine. Okay, this didn't... Discarding, clearing, null. Discarding. Yes. Your card. Should do that. Oh. Oh, I think I know what's happening. Fuck, that's annoying, I think. I think the problem is for the attack itself. Whenever I do put away is called and does some shit. Okay, so I'm doing use card. This is using the card and taking the charge away. And then, yeah. That's not particularly enjoyable. So this will call the deck code. Okay, I'm in signal hell right now. That's what's happening. I put myself in signal hell. We're calling the deck code. This causes the emit for a discard. The discard says, oh, it's time for you to be discarded, and then causes it to queue an animation. However, the actual attack overrides that and does something else. I could do this by doing a all deferred here. I think. Yeah, like that should be unequipped, but it's not. I think this will get rid of this now. Yeah, okay, cool. So that did get rid of that. Cool. We're just gonna call that good for now. I need to add back in mana cost and swap cooldowns, and I think we should be good.
Yay. Happiness.
You said what?
No. Happy.
I don't understand what you said. Happy.
Yippee. Woohoo.
Ah, okay, I see.
Wahoo.
Okay, cool. So that does work. If I equip and unequip, it seems like this works about the way we would expect. Okay, cool. So now I need to add back in mana cost, and I need to add back in swap cooldown, because currently I can... Oh.
Ow.
I don't understand. Wait. Brother. Deck... New deck? Question mark? Should have something cool in it. Yes, I'm doing use card. Card discarded emit. I'm not actually removing this. Oh, I need to do that. Ah, shit. I need to put it into the discard pile because currently that's not a thing. So I'm going to card discarded emit hand.erase card. And I'm going to say discard dot end card. Did I not have... I thought I had a function here that was... If draws empty, shuffle the current discard pile into that. If not draws empty, return. I shuffle draw. This is done after every... So we draw a card. Try shuffle draw after it. Okay, so this was the place that I actually cared about a lot, which was I wanted to make sure. Yeah, okay. Funk discard card. I wanted to make sure that this actually did something as well, which was discard card. Is that in here? So I need this to know about the try shuffle draw, because I want this to shuffle either when you discard a card or when you... I think it would just be that, right?
Hmm.
Right, because we would draw a card. And it would shuffle, and it would see that that is empty. Yeah, okay, so I actually need to do this here whenever discard a card is added to discard. I guess anytime the discard array is fucked with, I would like to try to shuffle it back in if the draw pile is currently empty.
Yeah.
Oh shit, cool. Oh, you know what? You're so right. I hadn't actually attempted this with just one card in my hand ever, so that's kind of cool.
That's awkward.
A little bit. So does this actually go away? This does actually go away. Yeah, okay, cool. So now, what is missing from the functionality of the deck?
Meow, meow, meow. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, true. True. Can't hear the car guy? Car guy, can you speak up?
Meow.
You should be able to. I hope.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Hello, Bond. How you doing? So this has an issue of what exactly? Being -1? Yeah, I need you to like stop doing
Better
this.
than -2, if you know what I'm saying.
Depends. But yeah, I get what you're saying. That's kind of true.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
True.
If hand is empty, return. Hey, buddy. Just curious. How did we get here? How did we ever get here to this function call?
Me when I have every status effect at once.
How did we get here? I get it. That's a good one. You get a +2 on that one. And is empty is
Yeah.
true.
Yeah, I can like sometimes be funny. It's a rare occurrence.
Wait, I actually have no fucking clue how we ever got here. So, if hand is empty, we return from this function.
Mm-hmm.
And the issue right now is in get selected card, hand is empty. In what world? In what world does this ever happen? Hand is empty, brother. We shouldn't have a select card. Hand is empty. We should never got. We should have not gotten here.
Meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Okay, we'll do another hand is empty check here. If hand is empty, return null. Dude, I don't care at this point. Fuck it. Pop off, man. You got it. Oh, because it was one card and then I equipped it and then it became no card. Oh, goodbye selection marker.
Mm-hmm.
What? Excuse me? Why are you not selected?
Okay. Rest my wrist a little bit. It's not doing bad at all, so that's good.
Okay, I see the issue that's happening here. Kind of. I believe this thinks that its current card selected is like if I were to do a console.print current selected, this is going to be the kunai no matter whether or not it's selected at all or not. Yeah, like I could just do current selected equals null, but that feels wrong and gross and yuck. Oh, this thing, current selected. Actually, I could just do this. Yeah.
Sorry. I'm like sleepy today.
Ooh.
I even took a nap after work.
Brother, you don't need to get our attention. I'm not responding to it because I don't want to respond to your messages. You're just saying stupid shit just over and over. Yeah, I get you're sorry for last stream. But shut up. Like, I'm sorry, but like, shut up.
But really is a YouTube Shorts commenter.
No, genuinely, dude. Go scroll on YouTube Shorts and find someone to game dev with. I don't. Okay, is this still being used? I think the same amount that I would expect it to. Maybe not. We'll find out.
Wait,
Oh,
am I
hey,
drawing
that
on
like
it?
worked. That's surprising.
Yeah, I'm drawing on the right layer. Okay. I'm stupid sometimes.
Wait, does this just work now? Card.
Fortnite. You know?
Fortnite.
You want to stream Rivals?
No. Did you know they added Binding of Isaac to Fortnite?
Yeah, I saw. It's kind of goated.
Fucking insane.
And
That's
they
what it
added
is, it's
Deep Rock
insanity.
Galactic like a couple weeks earlier.
Whoa, dude, that's so cool.
Yeah.
L streamer.
L streamer.
Fucking
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm a terrible streamer. It's over.
No, that's the guy from.
I know. That's why it's funny.
Okay, I don't know if you've
Makes
seen
it
their
even
messages,
funnier.
like, buddy, come on, man. Don't keep this up, bro. Get your parents involved. I'll tell them to fucking reduce your screen time from 2 hours a day to 1 hour. All right, buddy.
I remember
Watts and come back later.
Watts stream had a guy like that for a while. He might still be in there. It's kind of funny though.
It's like a little funny, but it's like I don't like.
His
looking
is
over there
funny
and
because
seeing
his chat is like so much busier that like it doesn't get in the way.
Oh, it kind of gets like flooded out.
Yeah, but it's funny.
That's funny.
And sometimes they'll
okay.
be like, "Oh, check out my art on the Discord," and then he'll go look, and it's just like this really horribly scribbled thing. And it's really funny.
Okay.
It's definitely like just like a kid who wants attention. Just like you can't really blame them. It's not entirely their fault. I mean, it's like entirely their fault, and they're annoying, but like
yeah. Okay. So what I can do?
There's just a difference between just like being annoying and just being a kid, you know?
Yeah. This is.
Sometimes they're both, but.
I think for a moment. I need to add controller selection back. Let me do that. I'll do that, and I think we should be good with this controller.
Okay. I'm almost done with my parallax layer. I forgot that I only did half of it last stream. So I'm doing the top half now.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
I did the bottom part.
Selector. Dude, the internet's fucking unfortunate sometimes. Really great invention. Really
Yeah.
bad usage. So
Hey, like, let's me
see.
make silly games and meet silly people. Because I don't do
Oh,
that
you
in
know, I
real
guess
life.
all of this
When is
code
the
will be
demo
the
release
exact
planned?
same, right?
Probably in like a week or two. Just kidding. No, it's not. That's not true.
Yeah, that's
Do
not true
not
in the
quote
fucking
that. Do
slightest.
not
Do
quote
not
that.
listen to him. He's putting
We
me on
want to
deadlines
have
that we can't keep.
a play test like by the end of October, hopefully. Which I
Correct.
think we will hit. Likely.
Yeah, I think we will.
And it'll
I
be
think
like
that it's
decently close to a demo. It will obviously. I don't think it'll be the demo. Maybe.
Oh, did I send you the video about demos?
No. What about them?
Okay, I need to send you a video about demos. Demos are not a playtest. Demos are trying to sell a game in a state where people will want to buy it.
Yeah, that's why I said
Playtests,
it's not
yeah.
a demo.
Yeah. Let me see if I can find
But it may
by
be
Indie
like
Game Clinic.
it'll be like gameplay wise it should hopefully be similar to what demo might be like. You know?
Here you go. Thank you, YouTube, for freezing for 4 seconds.
By the way, you didn't
after I
send
pressed
out a
the-
stream announcement.
Yeah, that's great. That's fine. Anyone who it's fine. I know Cosmic's upset. Cosmic's gonna be like,
me too.
Eddie. What do you think Cosmic sounds like?
Meow 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 meow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know he was. Yeah. No, that makes sense. I see that.
Wouldn't technically be a demo now. Not really. It is a playtest. Where you play the game and you test it. It's the only purpose. You're not allowed to have fun. No fun allowed.
This is true.
Insert stop having fun emote from Rivals of Aether 2.
What is the... Hold on, I need... What would be... So left on the joystick is... Why am I, like, asking this? Left on the joystick is obviously -1. How are we getting joystick input again?
Aim direction, I'm pretty sure still, right?
There's aim direction, but I think I would rather just get the raw input from, like, get axis.
Couldn't
Just
you,
get your
like,
axis
look
down.
at the old code? Where you did it? I'll show
What?
you guys that you won't get the
What is
urge to abandon the project. It's been over a year, so I think we're past that point a little bit.
Well, not me. It hasn't been a year for me. I don't know. It could still happen. Who knows? Maybe the second October hits, I'm like, listen, man, I don't know if I can do this anymore.
No. Once you start
I've been
making
using
content, maybe. Oh, and
I've
Godot,
been making
like
Godot
2 years?
Making Godot. I've been using Godot for... Ludum Dare 53, I think was the first one. Or Ludum Dare 50, maybe. Ludum Dare
50, 53, close enough.
Which one was Ludum Dare 50? Do you, by chance... You do. You have the theme. Yeah, Delay the Inevitable. April 2022 was whenever I switched to using Godot full time as like the engine that I cared about the most.
Meow 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 meow.
Okay.
Meow meow
Alright.
meow 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 meow.
Dude, I'm glad I get the front row show to front row seat to whatever the hell that is.
Oh, the song just changed. I don't know what it was.
Probably a Pikuniku soundtrack.
It might have
song,
been.
if I had to take a guess. Oh, you're running every frame, and that's a problem because you aren't active. Nodes don't have a set active function, right? I hate that I have to ask that. April 22nd, 2023. Or 2022, sorry. Current selector.
My favorite silly boy game dev streamers. Ooh woo.
True.
Oh whoa.
Made a function inside of... Don't oh whoa. Bad.
Oh.
Very bad.
Ooh woo.
I think I can just do set input, set process input active, and set
Okay.
Physics process
Wrist is
active and
stretched.
set process
Back
active.
to work.
I believe these should be enough. Connect selector, card selector. Will be all of this shit, I guess. Put it here. Ooh, I want to play Caves of Cut so bad.
Ooh, you want to play Caves of Cud. Ooh.
Ooh, you're a Cud caver.
Ooh, I want to play No Man's Sky.
Oh.
Anybody
gross.
here played No Man's Sky? The new update
Nobody
is so
say-
cool.
Don't say anything. Don't let him.
No.
Don't let him receive happiness from this.
You're mean. Everybody hates me.
Connect selector.
Especially
mouse.
at
Card
bitlytic dev.
selector. Selector.
bitlytic.dev.
bitlytic.dev. That is my website that you can go to and see the most not updated website in history.
Has like anybody seen that website? I feel like I'm probably the only
Yeah,
person on the
I've shown it
planet
on
who
stream.
knows that website. Okay.
I've shown it on stream before, and
Like
I've shown it
once.
to some people in my server.
I'm convinced nobody knows it exists. Oh, I cannot draw this line.
Okay, and I need a card controller card selector.
I honestly wonder if like a little button controller thingy for like keyboard shortcuts would be better than a keyboard. So I'm not like hopping around keys over and over again. Because I know they have those for like art programs where there's like all the buttons and stuff, and some have like knobs and things like that.
Sorry.
I don't know.
Hold on. Yeah, I started learning GDScript when I switched to Godot. I've used Python before, and it's very similar to Python, but like a good language. You broke the project a few times making autoload canvas scene a tool script. It would spin off the editor. Yeah. I mean, you can always disable that by going into the project.godot file in here.
How do you do
here
that?
Just open it up in Godot. Fuck, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. I don't want two Godot's open. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight. They're gonna fight for control over the project. Get out of here. You can right click on this and then open with code. And you'll be able to see anything you have enabled in here. So if there was a plugin that you wanted to disable, you could go in here and find it and then say meh and kill it. Also, like Git is your best friend because being able to revert things like that is really nice.
But Bitlytic, what's Git?
Git is a version control software VCS program that allows you to say, hey, I've made this change and push it up to a repository, which is just a collection of your code. And then you can do that. If you make any changes, then those are stored on top of those changes. And if you want to ever go back to an old version, you can do that. Or if you want to revert specific changes, you can do that as well.
Wow, thank you, Bitlytic. Nerd. Yeah, it's so real. I agree. Such a nerd.
Yeah, it's fucked up. It's evil.
That's gross.
What am I doing in here? Oh yeah, I need to check if the controller one.
Type meow in the chat if you hate nerds.
You say meow in the chat.
Yeah.
I hate nerds, brother. Oh wait. Well, I need the ability to tell when the input has swapped from mouse to keyboard or mouse to controller. So if I go to controls.gd, do we have a signal in here? We don't. Guess who's about to have a signal called an input type switched.
I just realized that my monitor has very different colors when I look at it from a slightly different angle. Because I'm like slightly above it. And then if I like lean back, I'm like kind of at level with it, and it's a lot like darker when I like am at the same level as it. Maybe I should like.
Interesting.
What do you mean interesting? Are you calling me like stupid?
That's not What the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Okay. It sounded like you were being mean. What? I'm
What do you
just
mean
like,
interesting?
it's
It's
just
not
like,
good. It's interesting. I don't know,
that's
man.
just like, normally you like are insulting me.
Oh, my fault, dude. My fault, man. You're right. You're right.
I'm joking. I'm
Fuck
joking.
you. That's stupid.
Hey,
Um,
stop.
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 All right, buddy. You
What? What did I do?
chat clip that, send it in my Discord. We're gonna use it to make fun of him now.
No, please. Please don't.
He's like, no, no, I don't like boys. And then he's like, stop. Like, brother. I'm so tired of this. Where's this being used? Is this being used anywhere in the project? Fuck, it's being used all over
Anyways,
the project. Fuck.
yeah, art or whatever. I'm drawing. Yippee.
Const input type is controls. No, that's what I'm saying, dude. He definitely likes boys.
No.
Sorry.
No.
Oh yeah. The moving platforms around and saying like start here and end here is like so fucking sick. Genuinely.
Wait, what?
The scripts is strictly for Godot, unlike other languages like C# that can be used in many other engines and IT tech jobs. Yeah, but the principles behind Godot transfer between languages. It's just like syntax changes, and like syntax changes are like the least like issue of all code changes. So it's kind of like you can kind of get away with it a little bit. If input type equals input type dot keyboard. And I would like to say selector current selector is equal to card selector. Yeah.
What the tuna?
Type switched. Boy kisser. You're a boy kisser, aren't you? You like kissing boys. Yup. Right. Selector dot set active false. And then we will do I could just do a match statement. I'll do a match statement.
A match statement?
I don't even think you could do a match statement first try without like looking up the syntax.
This is
like fair because like the syntax in Godot is a little weird.
I don't really I guess match statements make sense. But like it's yeah, I don't know.
There's honestly not a whole lot of reason to use them over an if elif unless you like really want to. I like doing it because it's like this matches to this. This
yeah,
matches to this.
yeah,
So it's
it
kind of like
makes
clear.
sense, I guess.
I don't know if that's gonna work. I guess we'll find out. Oh shit! It like kind of did. Oh no, it didn't. No, it didn't.
Oh,
it didn't work
no?
in the fucking slightest.
Oh, rip.
Why is that card off center? Oh, because the selection's weird. Output parse error. No. Is it because I changed the? Oh, because I didn't connect the signal because I gotta restart the game. Okay, so this one's active, and then mouse becomes active. Oh, dude, that's sick. That's
Wait,
actually
what
sick
the
as
what?
fuck. It's hard. You can't actually see anything yet.
Oh, okay.
But you see how the numbers are printing? That's like my right joystick like moving.
Oh, well.
And the second I turn it to mouse, it stops doing that, and that's because
Oh,
this
that's
is
nice.
switching between the two different card selectors.
It's pretty cool.
Not that we're gonna have a third card selector, but like,
But like, what if, like,
what would even be
gotta
a
make
third
it
card selector, brother?
expandable.
That's
Alright, bro.
true. I don't know what the
Alright,
third card selector would be, but like.
Alright, bro, wrap it up. Just put the code in the bag.
I guess I could do aim direction. I could remap aim direction to be from -1 to 1 and then make it 0 to 1. Unless, what is selected ratio? I'm like stupid. It's 0 to 1, right? I guess we'll find out. We'll find out very quickly what aim ratio is supposed to be. real. Yeah, there we go. Why?
GDScript has its similarities like to Python, but it's buffed for game dev because people be using Pygame. I can't tell if you're saying Pygame is good or bad.
Pygame is alright.
I don't know. I haven't used it, but it looks bad. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know anything about it, but I just don't like it because I love basing my opinions off of nothing.
What? Wait. What?
What
was that? Hold on.
Me when I'm Plankton and I made a robot.
Oh shit. Mouse card selector. You're doing something weird, aren't you? You're doing something very weird right now.
Are y'all working on a project together? How does that work? Magic.
Are you not going to give them the actual answer while I'm looking through this?
No, because that's your job.
You can give them the actual answer because I'm looking.
You're the nerd.
Brother, answer no.
What is the answer? But I don't... What's the right thing?
Alright, buddy. Okay, buddy.
I mean, I know it's like version control or whatever, but I don't know how to describe that to like normal people.
What do you mean? Oh my god. So the way it works is...
See, I told you he'd explain it.
I have a list of my changes, and then I can go in here and I can say, okay, well, these changes I'm fine with. So I could like click the plus, which means to stage that change, which was just me removing this line. And then I could go up here and I could commit it, which would take the changes that I've stashed.
Okay, here, actually, I can explain it. So I open up this program here, I type in whatever I did in here, and then I push this button. It's pretty simple.
So you just basically say what changes you want to go forward. So for example, if I wanted all of these to just go through, I could do this and then click the plus and it would stage all of them. And then you can give it a message and then push that up to GitHub. And then any changes he makes, I can pull onto my machine. And you can see right here.
The way I do it is a lot easier, but
together,
he likes being a nerd, so.
Combined together. Well, it is better for this.
Alright.
There's a reason you don't take your own conflicts.
Sometimes I push random buttons and it fixes stuff.
Yeah. And sometimes you push random buttons and you message me on Discord, Biddy, I need help. The project isn't loading.
Sometimes. Maybe. That might happen.
Okay, I need to rewrite this process function, which is get selected card will actually do get index, which needs to grab selected ratio.
Whoops, selecting the ratio.
Me.
I'm selecting it.
Ratioly. So
are you gonna get Aethermancer?
I don't know what that game is about.
I
haven't seen much about it other than off-brand posting about it.
It's I don't know about it either. That's what I was asking. If it looks like it's a roguelite, it's like so like that's one upside, I guess. I think it's a roguelite.
It might be.
But I was thinking maybe I try that since I'm pretty sure it's just like since it's turn-based, I'm pretty sure it's just like mouse. Not have to worry about pushing lots of buttons and hurting my wrist. It's my weak little wrist. I can't play games, you know.
Weak little wrist. Can't play fucking games anymore, dude.
Yeah, no games. Yeah, I gotta rest up. I got a tournament coming up. Or we got a tournament coming up. We gotta win. Oh yeah, did you see we're no longer playing against the...
Yeah,
what's his face?
Lucius.
Yeah.
I actually
which is good.
People we're playing against.
That's probably a good thing.
It's probably a good thing.
We'll probably still get cooked, but like it'll be fun.
You know? Sorry. How big is the game? How far close on a scale are you to consistent? Did you confidently release a demo? I don't know. To be honest with you.
That's a good question. We don't know
I don't know
either.
how much more programming there's gonna be after, like, it's gonna be abilities at some point, right?
Huh?
And then it's just gonna be like,
Yeah, like cards. I think a lot of it's going to be adding content, but I'm sure we're going to find like a million little things once we start adding content.
Hit a point that we're just gonna like not breeze through, but I think it's gonna go fast.
Yeah, but so I think it's probably going to be like a mixture of it's going to go faster once we're just adding content, but also we're going to find lots of little things that we need to add or fix.
Like, why is that cursor still on my screen?
Yeah.
Why? I know why that.
And like menus and things like that, and then
menuing
also
is like annoying. Translations, if there's translations.
Yeah, that's something I've honestly think that we might want to start looking into soon. At least like implementation, not necessarily like actually getting it translated, but just if we want to get it translated, having a backend for it that will allow that to happen. And I mean, with Godot, I'm pretty sure it's pretty easy. It's just making sure that like font sizes and things like that will scale. Because I think if we just make the thing scale based on, like, maybe if it's not English, we can have it automatically scale. So that way, if it's, because I know a lot of languages have long words for things. German.
Hold on. I just wanted to test some text really quickly. Where is their text currently?
On the cards. I think that's gonna be like the main issue, is like on the cards it's really big. It's not gonna work with the font, by the way, because I made that font. What do you mean that works?
I don't know, man. That looks like it works to me.
Hello? That's insane. There's no way that works. At Grok, translate my game.
It falls back to the system font.
Oh, interesting.
There's no.
Yeah, it's there's no character for it. Yeah.
So yeah, I believe it would work for like basic language then.
Interesting.
Korean.
Cool.
Oh, I have to update the thing. Let me add another card to my hand. Yes, that's in Korean.
Yeah.
Which you wouldn't have been able to tell.
Yeah, it would.
It is very unreadable, though. It's very,
I mean, we could obviously make it bigger. Because comparatively, like, the characters are a lot smaller on there than ours.
Yeah, we do work in this main lava place. We haven't done a second level yet. A lot of it has been...
Yeah, that's just because that's like the room that you spawn into, so we kind of just like dump everything we're working on in there.
Yeah, anything that we're working on, we just toss in here.
Like there's other rooms, if you want to run through there, there's like other rooms.
Yeah, we have this room over here.
Anybody's watching my stream, which they probably aren't.
It's just, that room is honestly really nice for just like trying things out, just because it is so simple. That there's no real like, man, this looks weird because of this room. This looks weird because of this room.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, there's also a second level that we want to do at some point.
But also, if like you end up running around for testing, then you run the risk of getting jump scared by the boss. Because you're not paying attention to where you're going.
The boss is fucking terrifying.
Yeah. Girl, I learned that apparently in No Man's Sky, giant worms can spawn on planets and they're terrifying.
Whoa. Vertical selection is... shit.
I am not a big fan of large creatures. They added like underwater exploring to No Man's Sky, but I'm literally never going to interface with it in my entire life because I hate water and fish and anything. Subnautica is literally like awful. I will never play Subnautica ever in my entire life.
Ever?
You could not pay me like... actually, you could probably pay me a decent amount of money to get me to play Subnautica.
Subnautica is amazing.
Do you actually think it's great?
Yeah.
Okay.
I fuck with Subnautica.
I mean, it's a good game. I don't disagree that it's a good game. I cannot play Subnautica.
This guy hates Subnautica. I hope you guys heard that.
I hate large things. Subnautica. I hate water. I hate like horror games.
Hmm. Oh, Lukaisa.
Lukaisa, are you there?
Are we trying to make or are we planning to make a social media for the game, like some popular games do? He has like a Twitter account that he posts on.
Actually, I have an account for like everything. I have
He has an account for like
Twitter,
everything that
I
he posts
have
on.
Blue
As you
Sky,
can see,
I
he
have
advertises it very
Instagram,
much. I didn't even know.
YouTube and TikTok, and I post on all those. Currently, I don't post as much as I should. I'm planning to do some like short form content once we start adding more content. So that way, I can just post it on like everywhere at once. And I was posting some of like my art on TikTok, and it was doing pretty well. So I wanna post some like game on there. I feel like it could do pretty well.
Oh, I'm stupid. I did X, didn't I? I did X, yeah.
But I think I'm gonna do some like narrated videos, because I think those might do better than just like gameplay with like text or something like that. Because I know a lot of people will be like, oh, I edited this and it does something, I don't know.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know how to make videos, guys.
I don't. That's okay though.
Yeah, you don't either. That's why you haven't uploaded in like 12 years.
Boy, he's correct.
How do you guys say one should go about advertising as a solo dev? Make a good game, make a good Steam page. I don't know anything else besides that. Do those, and then I don't know. Good luck.
Yeah, pretty much that. Okay.
I do need to make a trailer like really soon.
It's like kind of working.
Maybe that's what I can work on. Like by the end of the week, since yeah, maybe that's a goal.
Maybe. May happen.
I don't know if it'll happen, but that gives me something to do while you're fixing up some of the systems before I try messing around with those.
Yeah.
Will the trailer be fire animation or clips of the gameplay? Gameplay.
Only gameplay?
Only game. I was thinking of maybe getting, at least for like the final trailer, I was thinking of getting some of your help to do some like cool animated stuff with like the cards and like stickers, so you could have like a cool animation showing off how like you can add stickers to the cards, and then like
yeah, because I was picturing a few more VFX things than just the clips of the gameplay. I think that there will be a couple of things.
Yeah, then I was thinking of having like a
storyboard
bunch of the cards.
Right?
Nah, not yet. I have some notes. I have some notes about the trailer, so you can.
Do you mind if I show this on stream, or would you rather me not?
Yeah, it's okay. I think I just like stole that from some GMTK videos. I just like copied it down all the stuff. So. And then what's his face?
The one has to be good. It's me. So.
What do you mean?
Show hook. Explain the hook. Consider how someone will talk about the game. Simply, you make the idea. The art is shared. Hold open, high intensity, slow down, escalation. I think this was the thing that we were talking about with this, where...
Yeah, I wrote that down, yeah.
You guys ever worry about how much time starts passing as you spend it working on years-long projects that have no guarantee of succeeding to any great degree? Me, no.
No. Me, actually, probably more than him, because he has an actual job. I work at a coffee shop, but at the same time, I'm like... I was about to say that I'm 12, but I'm not 12. Twitch, don't ban me.
Yeah.
I am not 12. I am a legal adult, but I'm fairly young comparatively. So like, it's not like I'm dying and this is my last hope of survival. I mean, it kind of is, but like, I pretend that it's not. If it fails, then I have to go like work in an office for the rest of my life, and there's nothing I can do about it.
That's not how that works, but yeah.
Kind of is. My brother just got an office job.
Yeah.
Now I get to laugh at him.
Life situation right now, so a lot of this is like just a for fun thing for me.
Yeah.
That's kind of like.
Yeah, that's why I can get away with not paying biddies, because he already has a good job.
That's not. No.
Joking. He's getting paid. Don't worry. It's a joke.
I'm gonna pull this up in court one day.
No,
like,
please don't. I said it was a joke for legal purposes. It's a joke.
Sorry, what am I doing?
We should get. that kind of stuff figured out at some point soon.
Oh, okay. I know.
Honestly, more with just like publishing the game, because I know that can be more work if you have multiple people working on it. Probably by the end of the year we should get that figured out, especially if we want to release in like early next year, which won't happen, but you know. Yeah, and also this is supposed to kind of just be like a figure out how to make a game and publish it and then make a better game later. But I think it's kind of a good idea and worth working on. So like, yeah, we're like taking forever, but after this I plan to hopefully make more games that I can kind of strategize more effectively and make faster. I don't know, it seems like, honestly, that seems like what everybody's doing, is they spend like 2 or 3 years making a game, publish it, it does okay, and then they just make a bunch of really short games really fast.
Yeah, that's kind of the vibe, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, at least that's my idea. Cause like, I don't know,
out doing code real quick.
If possible, I don't want to get like an office job, cause that sounds really lame, and I don't want to be lame. I mean, it's like highly likely that that'll happen, but you know.
Yeah.
You know.
That's true.
You do side projects along the way as you're working on this. Oh yeah, there's actually a game jam coming up at the beginning of next month that maybe we might do. It's only like 4 days, right?
Yeah, I forgot about that. Fuck.
Yeah. But it's also like right when the tournament's happening. So like that's half good, because then we could work on it if we wanted to. But also that's when the tournament's happening, so. We do live game dev from the tournament, like when we're not playing. Stream the tournament and game dev. Also, I didn't realize.
Investing in some efficiency, if that makes sense.
I didn't realize the tournament's 2 days, but that's okay.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go up and stay with Justin for the.
No, okay, that's fine.
Some shit, or the weekend. Sorry, not the week. I need to still message him about that and see. But
yeah,
if not, I can figure something out.
Yeah. What was I going to say? Yeah, I didn't realize it was 2 days, so I had to text my boss and be like, actually, I need 1 more day off.
Actually.
But he was like, whatever, it's fine.
6-figure demo so the game can be funded. There is like a funding idea, but I don't know. Again, my life is very comfortable right now, so it's kind of up to
call him
JW here.
Thomas Brush, the way he making 6 figures with his demo.
What did you say? Call him who?
Thomas Brush. He's the Unity guy that like he always has like some course on how you can make 6 figures off your demo. I don't know. I don't like him. He doesn't seem like a bad person. He's just like always selling courses, and it's like, brother. And then he's like big into the AI stuff when it first came out. He doesn't seem to be like as much anymore. I think it was more of just like a hype train kind of thing. Make a Patreon and make money off just working on a game. That involves like me having to like actually make something worth people spending Patreon money on.
There literally was a person that modded the game already.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
I will say that someone literally modded the game before it fucking even released.
Yeah, I think multiple people actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe at some point. Bond should get bald.
This is true.
Yeah,
I think everyone should go
I would
bald
agree.
at some point in their life.
I think I finished the background. I wasn't even paying attention. Did I do it? I think.
Did he do it?
Yeah, I finished it. Chat, the background is finished. So this has what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers if you count the solid color in the background. That's not terrible. People like feeling they contributed to something. That's true actually.
Does this even need to be a thing? Am I like stupid? What did I make these two functions for? I know what I made it for originally, but I don't know if they even need to be here now.
So when you start the picking, then you end up picking.
Oh, thanks. That
Okay.
actually, yeah, no, that makes a lot of sense. I didn't think about it like that.
Yeah, of course. No problem. My pleasure.
All right.
Is there anything else I can get for you today?
Knock it off with your fucking Chick-fil-A.
Like that, hot or iced?
This is why you're afraid to be gay. This is your problem. It's because you worked at Chick-fil-A for so long. Tell me I'm wrong.
What are you even saying?
Exactly.
Okay.
You're afraid to show the truth because you worked at Chick-fil-A for so long. That's the problem.
I hate this guy.
It's kind of funny though. Any plan development and milestones in the coming days? Yeah. The card system, I want to make it so that he can actually work with it. Because he wanted to work on some abilities.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
I have to fix a couple of hand bugs. And then I have to implement a couple of nice features on the card side so that he can make the ability without having to deal with some of the more programmery systems.
Why did Bitlytic send me a YouTube video?
Brother, that was like an hour ago.
Yeah, well, I wasn't paying attention. It was an hour ago. Oh, that was 30 minutes ago. Never mind.
All right, buddy. But yeah, because he wants to work on he wants to work on the SMG, which is going to be a continuous fire card.
It's gonna go like bang, 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 bang.
I want to add. I know I shouldn't worry about VFX right now. I know it's like the least important thing in the world right now.
Actually, it's pretty important
for the cards.
The peek
I want to add a peek through, so whenever enemies are behind the cards, it kind of dithers.
Yeah.
I was thinking about that. Instead of it being a transparency, what if it was a dither effect? And it was pixel perfect dither effect? That'd be kind of cool, no?
No, I don't like that. I don't really like that.
Okay, fair
no
enough.
offense.
You guys got some specific scenarios in mind with the mechanics. I don't know, that would be up for you. I can't think about that right now.
Some specific scenarios in mind with the mechanics.
Like, I know what you're asking. No, he's asking good questions. Yes, kind of. We don't want multiple decks in the next card, or in the next demo, or in the next playtest thing. I would like to have a decent selection of weapons, and I would like to have a more set in stone selection of cards. Some of the interesting things that we would like to do with the mechanics are add some sort of movement cards, kind of. Or at least cards that influence your movement. I would like to add cards that are specifically good against certain types of enemies. So if you have like swarmers, something like a shotgun would be really good for that. As well as like not boss specific cards, but like, you know, whenever you play like a roguelike, you're like, this is really good against bosses. I'm going to use that against the boss, but this isn't really good for clearing rooms. Would like to have a decent selection of that ready for the playtest at the end of next month. If that answers your question. Which it might not. Sorry, I just read the funniest shit in fucking chat. Oh my god. JW, you're scrolling through the chat. You're looking for it right now, or what are you looking for? JW, are you muted? He's dead. Quick tap time. So if we're under that amount of time, it's considered a quick tap. Handle scrolling is something that will always be done. I would like for... Yeah, I would like for this to be a thing. Correct. So this input will block on if we're not picking a card or if it's not a quick tap, I think. Or maybe. So it won't move for the first half a second. That won't be doing anything. Are you set to 0 or are you set to... or however long that ends up being, which is just that. Hmm. So that's that one. This is not implemented here. This one does still have that. So I need to make sure that in this vertical selection is that if picking card and not is quick tap. The idea here is that you can press the selection button to immediately select a card. And it doesn't matter, like if I'm selecting the card on the right, but I'm aiming to the left, it doesn't actually start reading my inputs until half a second after I select the card. That's fine. I need to fix that bug, but I'll figure that out in a sec.
Okay, there we go. I am back. I hate Windows so much. What do you mean it takes literally 10 minutes to open the settings app? And it crashed like 3 times before it opened. I had to reopen it like 3 times. Oh.
I don't know, man. Be better.
What do you mean be better?
Be better.
Ruff. Sorry.
Oh, he's barking.
Kind of hilarious, though.
It's very funny, yeah.
Also, Bond, when I said one of you was gonna get banned, it obviously wasn't you.
Yeah, it was obviously the one that was acting like the person that got banned earlier for being a shithead dickhead. Stinky man. Oh my god. Is this gonna be a recurring character on stream?
It gives a stream some,
A little bit, yeah.
Interesting.
It's not like the worst thing ever. I just
Yeah.
don't want it to make... I don't want that thing to upset people.
There we go, look at that, there's a whole nother layer up there. Look how many, like, little spikes there are.
Whoa.
It's actually kind of sick. Still feels like a little empty
It's
in, like, the
taking
very back there,
everything in my mind, everything in my fucking power to not just hit like an ooh right now. I'm just telling you that right now, Bond.
but... Ooh.
Mine, you've heard mine before.
Yeah,
I've done it
his
in my
is
server
really
before.
good. It's really good. It's like...
It's not just going ooh.
It's like top tier. It's
insane.
like...
It's fucked up is what it is.
It's very high quality. Like, you could sell that for good money.
Alright, buddy, you're juicing too much now. Controls. Am I like not... How the fuck am I... Oh my god. Is this you again? Are you back in here, buddy? I'm fairly certain this is you again.
It's okay. They'll run out of their allowed screen time sometime
That's
soon, I'm
true.
sure.
It's also not about beliefs. I couldn't give a fuck which religion you brought up. It's the bringing it back up and letting me know that that is in fact the person that I just banned and is now back again for more attention. How the fuck am I telling this to stop updating? Because I'm isn't that soon?
Yeah, I really
Yeah,
like the new back. What, there's more floating things. Where are these coming from? Is it? Is there? Is it? Hold up. Let me go down here. Is there another one? There isn't.
Yeah.
Is it maybe that? I'm trying to think what it could be. Because if there's always a nope, there's more over here too. Are they always in the same place? Because maybe there's like some. No, I don't think they're in the same place.
It's almost certainly like a data issue.
It just seems weird.
Yeah, a little bit. It happens. Where the fuck am I? Why does this have a different...
Bond, if you join Biddy's Discord and join his VC, I'm sure he'll gladly demonstrate.
That might be true, but I don't know.
We can have a group ooh session.
Alright, buddy.
Just kidding.
That's it. That's it. You're being killed. You're dead.
Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Okay, I'm pretty sure I know where the boss room is. I will not walk into it. It's the one to the left here. You don't want to go that way. Walk into a...
Why is the minimap not hiding? Did you
Go ahead.
teleport into the room? that
No.
you're in currently, or no? You just ran
walked.
into it normally. Weird.
That's not the boss room. No, it's not the boss room, right? It's not. It has the special... Yeah, no, it's not. Yeah, it just doesn't hide.
Yeah, I might have fucked up the animation. It's fine.
It's so funny how reducing the pistol damage by literally 2 makes it feel so weak.
I like the little pop-a knockback they do. That hasn't been on.
Yeah.
That's not on my version yet.
Oh, you don't have the knockback? Yeah.
No.
Yeah, it's funny because you like hit him on the bottom, from like the bottom, it'll be the direction from the bullet to the enemy, so it'll like pop him up if you hit him from below. You guys ever consider making an online multiplayer game? Or do you consider it to be way too much responsibility or maintenance? If I did, it would be like a co-op game, and it would be like peer-to-peer, so I don't have to worry about servers. Because then you don't have to worry about like server maintenance. You don't have to worry about what kind of stuff you handle on the server side. You don't have to worry about hacking as much because it's not a competitive game. Like Deep Rock Galactic is a good example where it's all peer-to-peer. It's co-op, so they don't really care about hacking as long as you're not like giving people malware. So if I did something, it would probably be similar to that. Or just something like a little project for fun, you know.
For fun.
Okay, so the boss room is left. We don't go left. Do not go left.
This isn't updating, but the cursor is obviously visible based on the fact that the cursor is currently visible. I'm gonna lose.
It is funny the number of times I just like start playing the game and then forget that I'm playing the game and just keep playing it because it's fun. Like, I don't know if it's actually fun because I played it so many times that I like know how to play it, but I don't know, maybe it's fun.
It might be fun. Who knows?
Yeah. I can't aim. That's for sure. I died. Oop, we found a new bug to fix. Null check.
Brother, get the fuck out of here, man. Get out of here. Knock it off. You know what you're doing.
But what if that wasn't actually him?
The way that they said it.
What if you
makes
just
me
banned
say
a
I
random
don't care.
person? Well, they
What
were
if it's just a
talking about
random
the other
person?
guy. They obviously weren't actually them. They were just
Don't hold
saying
grudges
their
on
like
people and
opinion.
Don't bash or ban people who are in disagreement with you. Is all I'm saying.
Yeah, they were just saying that like that like
Mhm.
they don't think that's good, and like that,
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I don't care. We're here to stream for fun.
Wow. Okay.
Also,
This
like,
guy hates being a good streamer.
yeah,
I'm kidding.
that's true. Nah, I don't want it to be a terrible experience for everybody. And
Yeah,
unfortunately, that person is like, yo, dude, what if I made it a terrible experience for everyone?
Yeah.
So why is this? Sorry, you're not hiding the cursor, but you are. So what the fuck is up with you, dude?
Meow, 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 meow.
Oh,
Meow. Sorry, are you? Meow, meow, meow.
I don't. Okay, hold on. Are we? Let me restart the game. But so I want to add a setter for this. Set val mouse visible equals to val print stack. Mayhaps. What is that going to show me? Is that going to show me anything useful? Let's find out. We're going on to another window. Mouse visible setter in warp mouse. Okay, and if I were to add cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it locked the cursor. That's fine. It unlocked the cursor. It did a lot more things just then. Warp mouse, lock cursor, and mouse visible setter and physics process release card selector. Okay, it just calls lock mouse, which is a problem because it shouldn't be. Or, well, it should be, but it shouldn't be setting mouse visible to false.
Meow, 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 meow. So real. I agree.
Ooh, okay. Warp mouse is true. If it's a controller input type. Okay, I see. Show cursor. Warp mouse configured. Mouse visible is true. Cursor. Oh, I see what's happening. Kind of. Yes.
Blah, blah, blah.
So my new question is like, why is that stopping? Oh, I see. I understand. Kind of. Yeah. Okay. I get it. I get it. I get what's happening. I see what's happening here. You need to be a little bit cooler, I think, is my answer.
Okay, where do I work on now? That's the wrong. Nope, not this one. Cards.
Hell, if we're not picking the card order, I guess we'll say not mouse visit.
So I don't think salami should just straight up heal you. We should change that.
Agreed.
Catnip should also not slow down time because that's bad. Energy drink should probably not just speed you up.
True.
Yeah. Now to figure out what those do.
Did we rule out the idea of passive cards that just kind of exist instead of like, cards that
What
you
do
draw,
you
or
mean?
like whenever you draw them, they just automatically get used?
So that's basically like what the relics or whatever are.
That's true. This is really fun, actually.
And I mean, we also had the idea of power cards, which were like the...
Yeah.
But I honestly don't think that's a great idea, but maybe. What's really fun?
Check out the cursor, by the way, real quick. Whenever I jump, it like lags behind a little bit. It does like the wiggly pencil trick. You know what I'm talking about?
The what?
You don't know about the wiggly pencil trick?
The what?
You don't know about wiggly pencil? Holy shit! Am I really that unk?
You might be. I genuinely have no clue what you're talking about. Maybe I'll like recognize it or something, but like...
I'm pulling it up. I'm pulling it up. Don't worry. Let me get a video.
He's pulling his pencil out.
I'm pulling my pencil out. All right, Eddie Ray, you've got like 2 seconds to amaze us. It works so much better in real life. It's like so difficult to show you this on camera, but like, here you go, man. Here's Eddie Ray telling us about the rubber pencil trick. Look at it. It looks like a pencil. It's rubbery.
I have
Whenever you do the little wiggle, your eyes kind of like.
I mean, I'll like wiggle my pencil around sometimes, but like I didn't know that it's like
yeah, it's like
it's
weird. It kind of tricks your eyes into thinking it's curved a little bit.
Weird.
It looks better in person.
Here, I have a pen. Let me try that.
Yeah, this is doing the wiggly pencil trick. So it's like,
it doesn't work quite as well. This pen, it's too short.
It also works better with light colored objects.
Okay.
Do we have mechanics written down? Or
Weird.
Those up on the spot.
Certain
Mechanics. We wrote down certain ones we discuss often. A lot of the mechanics that we add, we've written down or talked about previously.
Yeah, a lot of the mechanics were like I had an idea, I started doing stuff with it, and then then we started talking about it, then we changed stuff.
Yeah, okay, buddy. I don't believe you. By the way, going through random streams to just preach. Okay, man. I don't believe you in the fucking slightest. I know who you are. Fuck off. It's nothing wrong with your religion.
I just don't
stop
give them attention.
being
It's like
an annoying dickhead. Alright, I'm gonna go AFK for a moment. I'm gonna go take a piss and get like a little snack.
Good luck.
Entertaining people.
Yeah,
keep
I've
the chat
entertained
open and,
people.
like,
Quick bond, what do I do? Help. I don't know how to be a good streamer.
you should read Bible verses or something. That's what I hear works, apparently. I'll be right back.
I feel like that would make for a very interesting stream. I mean, it's possible, but it is a game dev stream. Do you say ooh ooh? Sorry, I don't know. I kind of want a snack too, but what do you think the salami card should do? I feel like it's like a one-time thing that gives you like a buff. Maybe it makes honestly don't know what it could do. Woo as soon as I joined. Well, welcome in. Biddy is getting a snack. So now I have to entertain people, which I'm not very good at. So I'm trying to figure out what to make a card do. I have a salami card. Let me pull it up so you can see what it looks like in all its glory. It's in here somewhere. There it is. Salami. I know this probably isn't gonna help you like come up with any ideas, because that's my job. It's my job to come up with ideas. But yeah, there's a lot of cards. There's actually not a lot of cards. A lot of these are either duplicates or old cards or unfinished things, but now where'd it go? I lost it. There it is. So currently what this does is when you use it, it heals you. But we don't really want to have things that directly heal you because you're gonna redraw the cards like over time. So if you could do that, then you could just heal infinitely. So I need to figure out something else for this card to do. Which I'm thinking, what could it do? So the green cards currently are cards that do like one thing at once, at one time, that aren't like an attack. So they're kind of like utility cards. So for example, I don't have any good examples because we don't have many utility cards. But one was like a hook here. You guys have like pacing in mind? In terms of like gameplay, like how long levels are? Yes. Kind of broadly. Brother, please stop joining with multiple accounts and saying things. You have been banned like multiple times. Do not come back. I'm sorry. The cards are color-coded for type. Kind of. I color-coded them pretty early on, before we really knew exactly what we were doing. So they're like kind of color-coded. So the green ones are like one-time utility things. So like before one of them would heal you. This one's like a grappling hook that doesn't actually do anything yet because I never finished it. I need to add more utility. There's one other one somewhere in here that I had. Oh yeah, there's a cardboard box.
That one's like our parry, right?
Yeah, the cardboard box is kind of like a parry. So it's like a shield if you... it gives you a shield for like a time, but if you time it right as you're getting hit, then it'll be like a parry. That's the idea. Oh yeah, the green ones can also be summons. So they can like summon additional things.
I feel like summons fit more in the blue category, to be honest.
Yeah, but the problem is we don't have very many green cards.
I think that's fine. You don't have to have.
Okay. I just think because the blue cards are kind of like specifically time-related cards, is like my thought.
Is there a chance of adding a purple for like a?
Oh, we could.
Because I feel like purple would be sick for like jellyfish. But is there
Maybe.
a story? We've been working a little bit with our friends a little bit. We are not focused on story in the slightest right now, though.
Basically, is cat in hell. Yeah, cat kills things.
Did you answer the question about how long the levels are going to be?
Oh, I was going to, and then I got distracted.
So the plan
ideally
right now is...
Oh, okay. Actually, I don't know what you're gonna say, so I'm gonna let you say it.
Okay.
Because I want to hear what you're gonna say.
From what we had discussed, it sounds like the answer is going to be the major boss fights will be every 3 floors. And we were discussing maybe having mini boss, like easier bosses at the end of each individual floor. So it's like every 3 floors is like your big challenge boss. The pacing, since ideally we would like it to be 9 floors based on the thematics of the game, that can be compromised, I guess. Yeah, it's a roguelike. Oh, did you not know this was a roguelike? Um, yeah,
Yeah,
this is a roguelike as fuck.
it's a roguelike.
Um,
And so yeah,
but yeah, the each
I'll let you
floor
finish, yeah.
will be kind of like Binding of Isaac.
Ugh.
Oh my god, get out of here, dude. Stop. The the duration of the 3-floor set will be about the same. Maybe a little bit longer than like a floor in Gungeon. Like maybe like I'm thinking like floor 2 or so is like the duration of floor 2. It's about the same as our 3-floor
Yeah.
section.
So
not
it's yeah, and I think we
Each-
could have like in between floors and like a little loading screen, we could probably have like a little map that shows that like the 3 floors are kind of like grouped together, so you can tell.
Mhm.
So it's still it's still this thing going on that we got to do a poll on what you're making, or I don't know what you're saying exactly.
Sorry, what?
I'm not sure what Bond is asking.
Sorry, so it's still this thing So it's still this thing going on that got to do a poll on what the fuck? Am I having a stroke too?
Yeah, I think so.
So it's still this thing going on.
That we got to do a poll on. I don't remember doing a poll. Did I do a poll? How's the game play out? I could just show you, or I guess you guys are in Biddy's stream, so Biddy, if you want to show them the game.
Oh.
Although my game is pretty sick. Actually,
you should.
I have newer
Yours
stuff.
is
mine's the one that works.
Mine might not work.
Yeah, okay. So you can just put me on screen, and I will.
Yeah, you've been on screen for a little bit while I.
Okay. Well, I haven't been doing much, so I was kind of just yapping. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
We'll add all the fun cards. We'll add the salami just so you can see what it currently does. Yarn ball's cool.
Just do not add. Do not add that's the only one you're not allowed to add.
Spring, right? Wait, which one?
Spring maybe.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Which was the one that didn't work?
Spring. Yeah, don't add spring. Sorry.
Brick.
I don't know why I thought it was soda.
Okay. And what shield as well?
There was a.
I forgot. I don't
test
remember
that
using
made you,
shield.
like, double speed.
There we go. There's
which was
shield.
very funny.
Oh, that's funny.
Because you already move really fast.
So as you can see, it's a platformer where I can run around, but I can also select cards in real time. It slows down time, so you can select them. Or alternatively, I can use the scroll wheel to scroll through them, and then I can pick one and use it while I'm running around. Well, Biddy is currently reworking how some of this card stuff works, so it'll look a little nicer.
The card selection should be the exact same. It should be the exact same as what you're doing now.
It just might look a little nicer. Yeah. So this is just my little test guy there. He's still being worked on. I have a little machine here that I can use that doesn't do anything. So that's kind of that. But if I go in here, it'll reset my cards so that way I have a set number of cards. And then there's all kinds of enemies that we're still working on more of, and I suck at the game. But I have limited mana, as you can see up in the corner. I should have turned off all the debug stuff, but whatever, it's okay.
Oh, yeah.
As you can see, I have mana up here, which will run out as I use cards, but if I kill enemies, they'll drop mana. So it kind of encourages you to, like, play aggressively and kill them. It's an endgame plan.
I wonder...
We don't really know exactly. More cards and stuff. That's kind of more into like the adding content stuff.
Yeah.
Or do you mean like replayability kind of stuff?
Yeah. Oh, with an ending in mind. Do we want to go with more cards or more powerful individual cards? I don't know the answer for yet. Do you get random cards every room? Yes, you get random cards every room, and whenever you use up a card, it will deal in a new one from your deck.
Yeah, so if you played Slay the Spire, it's like the exact same kind of drawing mechanic where it's like you'll draw from a draw pile, and once that runs out, it'll shuffle them, and then you...
Yeah, and certain cards can be exhausted.
Yeah.
So you can only use them once per room or floor or whatever.
There we go. The yarn is very fun. That might be like the best card of all time. Also have brick
This might all
that you
work.
can throw. Oh wow, the brick is terrible. It needs.
The brick is terrible,
I
yeah.
just threw like 3 of them and didn't realize that there was only like 3, and then it didn't do any damage. I missed every single time. But oh wait, did the?
Yeah, the game, honestly, the sounds are really nice and they kind of make a lot of the experience. So I'm going to go ahead and toss your screen share back off and I'm going to go in and,
Yeah, it's okay.
just so I can show people the actual, like, I would like to show them the game with the sound on.
Yeah. It is very nice.
I think all of this should work, minus the spring. Yeah. So if I go in here, actually, I don't. Ooh, I can't go to a different room. I don't think I have dealing in yet. Yeah, the sounds kind of make a lot of the game. So a lot of them are just kind of like juicy sounds. Like if I spawn.
They're
in-
like. It is kind of crazy how much better it makes it sound, even though half of them are just like random junk I found off free sound and then like edited a little bit.
Yeah, there's also this guy. I think this guy's a charge sound.
Yeah, he does. It's really bad. That needs to be fixed.
Oh, it's
Murder-
like the same as the flying guy, actually, this guy.
Yeah, that sound is used like a lot.
I see. Okay.
So murderous cat rescuing
I
his
don't
dead
have
owner
the-
from hell due to being a bad person in general, but good to his cat, with the cat seeing it as injustice. It's an interesting idea. I don't think that's close to what we're doing, but we have like a few ideas so far. I think there was some like mythology kind of ideas. I don't know what was going on, to be honest.
Let me go to the dummy room. Does dummy room still work?
Testing room? I don't see
Yeah.
why it wouldn't.
I don't either.
The
It does.
card pickups might not work.
They don't. Because I have,
But that's
I have
okay.
issues that I need to fix. Because there's a lot of things still using the old card system.
Look at those beautiful little dummies that I made. They're so nice. Did you know that when you kill a dummy, it actually deletes the dummy that's there, plays an
true.
animation, and then makes a new one?
Oh yeah, those particles weren't fixed. Did you fix those particles on your end, by the way?
What do you mean?
The bullet.
Yeah, there's no particles when they hit something, it just flashes,
Okay.
which is much better. I like it. It looks really bad.
A little bit, yeah.
I kind of went Gungeon style, where it's like
Dude, I
really
just had to-
basic
Oh my god.
and just has like the
I was-
knockback and
Oh,
stuff.
sorry. Hello to Madre. I'm sorry. I meant to answer your thing whenever I got back, but then we started talking about thing.
I'm
I
sorry.
don't
Oh yeah,
believe-
you're talking about temp over health
Salami
for
would probably
the
not be
salami.
temporary over health, but maybe.
That could be an interesting idea for it, dog.
Brother, isn't there literally a verse in the Bible about not preaching and showing your whatever to everyone? Someone
Not
didn't read the Bible. enough.
quite, but like it's close.
I'm fairly certain that there is.
It's like it's more like not being a performative male.
Yeah, don't be a performative male, but like for religion, basically.
It is like pretty much exactly what it says, which is
Yeah.
kind of funny.
Yeah, I wanted to press a number on my keyboard to select one of the cards.
Honestly, that's
I
not a
found
bad
myself-
idea, because I don't like it's. If you have more than 9 cards, then like you're not gonna be able to tell which one you're picking if you're using the numbers.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, most people, you probably only have like 5 or 6 at a time, depending on upgrades that you get.
Yeah. Yeah, and I feel like if you if you somehow get enough upgrades to have like a 10 card hand, then you probably don't have to worry too much about picking a specific card like instantly.
Yeah, that's true. Where's my what?
Where's my water?
Oh, there we go.
Did you ever play Where's My
There it
Water?
I did, yeah.
That game was
Yes, I did.
honestly like peak.
True.
It's very peak. I honestly don't remember when or what I played it on, but I know I've played it. And I remember
I
it
kinda
being
wanna
peak.
change the worm. I think.
The
have you
worm
played
does need some
Slither.io?
work. Slither.io, yes.
Okay. What if it's like
Where is this
Slither.io?
going?
So you know how whenever you use your boost, you kind of like glow a
Sorry,
little
I
bit as
can't
you
stay
dash
longer,
forward.
but it's 2:39 a.m. Yeah. Good night. You do need sleep.
Night night. Do you know what I'm talking about, JW?
Yes, where that like glow as you dash. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, can the worm do that? Where it's only attacking while it's doing that kind of move forward dash thing.
It is only attacking when it's doing the move forward dash thing.
What if we had to do that like kind of glow?
Yeah,
So that you knew that it was attacking.
I think that was something that we had intended to do. We just never did. Like some sort of indication when it's attacking.
Yeah, because currently it's not very clear that it is. Which is a little annoying.
What could be cool is if we know how we had the idea to add like attack indicators to a lot of things to make it like easier to dodge attacks, since you'll have like a lot of melee stuff going on potentially. What if like as he's about to come out of the ground, he has like little indicator lines of like what path he's gonna follow, like when he's dashing.
Yeah, maybe we can have it so that he can only turn when he's in the ground, kind of like Terraria worms, where he does like just a straight dash across and it kind of like shows the path he's gonna follow.
Yeah. What's on the roadmap for development currently? There's none.
We don't have a roadmap. We honestly should, I think.
That's a good idea.
How far along the project's getting and how people have shown interest in it. I think that's something that we should maybe have ready by next stream.
Next stream?
Yeah, I think just a rough roadmap of where we want things to be and what we kind of want.
Yeah.
It doesn't need to be like set in stone, but I think once this card system rework is done and once abilities start getting added in, I would like to kind of start working on actually having a floor playable. I mean, we have the first floor MVP thing that we had talked about before.
Yeah.
I want that to be playable. That would be really cool and really nice. Also, I think most of my deck code is good to go. I think I can start swapping things over to the new deck system.
Yay.
Probably.
I was probably gonna say something and now I forgot.
Sorry.
I think it might have been about the worm. Oh yeah. So I think pretty much all enemies, at least what I'm thinking, is pretty much all enemies should have like attack indicators.
Yeah.
I like that idea. And I really like the I forget what the game is now.
Oh my god, I don't know what you're talking about. Dungreed?
No, not Dungreed.
No? Not Dungreed.
Voidigo, yeah. I like how it has like basically it has like a shape of wherever the attack's going to be, and then that has like an outline. And then it's just like an outline in that shape. Yeah. That looks so nice. And I feel like if we did something like that, if you somehow made something like that where we could like render it like pixelated,
we can do that.
That would look really sick.
Yeah, we can do that.
And
it would be
maybe
a little bit of a bitch, but we can do that.
Yeah. I'm trying to think of how that could be practical, because it could be cool. I'm thinking.
He's thinking it.
I'm just thinking if there's a way that we could make it that like you could layer like shapes and then it would like draw an outline around them.
Yeah, that's what canvas layers or canvas groups are for.
Oh yeah. That's a good idea. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, like canvas groups are like literally a thing for that exact reason.
But yeah, I was thinking so you could like define the shapes and then it would draw an outline, like pixelated outline of the shape.
Yeah, I think that's doable.
Okay, cool.
Because you would specify like you'd be like you would set a square up here and then it would create a canvas group that like kind of creates this bounds. Not like that. It's kind of this bounds. And then the shader could just, whenever it goes to render, it could like sample this point and this point. And if one of them if this one's outside, this one's inside, that's an outline. And then we can kind of like set the amount. And then we could have it be like 1 pixel in size. Like 3x4, but like,
Yeah, but that way we could like layer shapes. And if we wanted to have like a little area of effect and then like a long range thing, it could like indicate that.
Yeah.
As a game dev, as a small team with Godot, it is wonderful.
Not 100% true. The team does consist of me and Tempura here, so it's pretty bad.
No.
If it was just me, it'd be okay.
No. We definitely don't hate each other.
That's probably maybe true. That's potentially true.
We'll let you decide. You get to decide.
Yeah, it's like it's a choose your own adventure.
Just choose your own adventure.
Yeah, go back 45 minutes if you think that we hate each other. Go back 30 minutes if you think we don't. I was thinking about this. Maybe... Because, okay, so I'm just going to say this out loud about code stuff. So I was thinking about splitting up the deck and the mana and the sticker packs and everything like that, because currently in the code that you have, the mana is stored on the deck. So I was like, do I want to have like,
Yeah.
you know, do I want to have like var mana with a float here and like you have 100 mana? Or do I want to have like obviously this wouldn't be defined here. Like, do I want to have a stats class that has the mana inside of it? And then here we have a stats, which is like this thing. And I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do. Not that it matters too much, because at the end of the day, I can always change it. But let's see, where all references mana? Oh. Dot mana. Not that many places. So we could probably just have a stats class and then change it later if I hate it. I think maybe.
I'm still trying to think about what the salami could do. I'm thinking through what the different cards that we don't like could do.
Which ones are the ones we don't like?
Salami, catnip, and energy drink.
So you want salami to be a green card?
Yes.
So what's your
Currently.
Okay, let's draw these lines. So what are greens, what are blues, and what are reds?
Reds are anything that is an attack.
Okay.
Or anything that's an attack from the player.
Okay, anything you equip, you're saying.
Yes, yeah, anything you
right-clicking
equip.
goes
Yeah. That's what
Okay.
I meant.
So that's a red.
Yeah, greens are like one-time things, and then blues are time-based. Anything time-based.
Okay.
Essentially.
One-time things. What does one-time thing mean?
Like an upgrade or like summon. Although I do kind of like the idea of maybe having a separate summon type, or like a thing that like adds something to the world. Because I was thinking of adding like a turret card or something like that like drops down a little like auto turret, things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Because that could
I'm
be
like,
really
there's
cool.
a very big difference in my mind between
or like a
salami,
shield
which
bubble,
is like what I would call a buff card, and then like a jellyfish card, which is like a pet card.
I
like
think having a, I can even test the color real quick. You said purple?
Yeah.
Purple? You said purple? Okay.
Yes.
Where is my
I
jellyfish?
said purple. Wash my jelly.
Wash my jelly. Clean my jelly.
It's so one thing that's like.
Okay.
I'm trying to think of like. I think if it is color coded, it needs to add enough for that to be consistent. Like,
yeah,
you don't just color code something as something for no reason, I would say.
That's kind of what I was doing originally. I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of just like I want different colors for things, and here's vague categorization.
It's kind of like there's a reason that you want something to be color coded specific ways because it conveys information.
Yeah, I mean,
so
I think this is like
is
useful because it's like red is. I think how it currently is like at least slightly useful. It's not useless.
Yes.
It would be worse if all the cards.
With what's in the game currently, yes.
Yeah, if it would be a lot worse if all the cards were different colors.
1, 2,
yeah, I agree.
Or were all the same color. I'm sorry. You know what I meant. You probably know what I meant.
Like you know that these are your weapons that you can equip. So like if you need to do damage, you can equip a red card.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking.
So yeah,
wait, this.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think of like
are okay. That's the same color there. Do I have the right color?
What are you trying to do, buddy? You can just like go back a frame to see if like, things are fucked up, can't you?
No, wait, no.
Okay. All right, whatever. He's doing ace price stuff.
I'm trying to make sure that's. I don't know if I want like the dark purple or the pink. I think the purple's better because it's more contrast. Nope, that's the wrong layer. Nope, that's the wrong layer. Wait, no, it's the. Wait, no, it's the wrong layer. There we go.
Wait, what? Am I like stupid? I thought that.
Wait, is that?
Oh, we do have a folder specific.
Is that the same color? Yes, the same color. Okay. I'm going insane.
He's going insane.
I don't know. I feel like it's a little dark, maybe. Comparatively. I guess not really.
Stats. Stats node. Mana. I can probably just copy this from the old deck code, right?
Like today, finite state machine video was awesome. I watched it about 8 months ago and still practice with it. Thank you. I put a lot of effort into that video.
Buddy.
Joking. But I still use the state machine from that, and we use that state machine in this game all the time. All the time.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it though. I'm glad that it has helped you for so long. That video has overstayed its welcome. But
yeah. I probably I also probably couldn't have even started working on the game without the composition video. I probably like overused composition, but like nah,
you definitely like used composition somewhat.
Yeah. I mean,
correctly?
No. But like I don't think I could have figured out how to like make anything without that, I'm not gonna lie. Like I didn't really know how to use inheritance properly, so it's like actually I like had no clue what inheritance was. That's not entirely true. I learned how to make like a animal class and then extend that to make a reptile and then extend that to make a lizard in computer science, and then it would print meow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You went to
and then you would have a function to display the animal in the console, and then you would type out a bunch of random characters to make it look like a little lizard.
Whoa.
Not exactly, but
sick.
That's basically how we learned composition. Or not composition, sorry, inheritance.
Inheritance.
It was kind of funny. And a bunch of people couldn't even figure out how to get that to work, which was also very funny.
Oh no, you've got a thematic question you have to answer now. You have to answer for your sins.
What?
Answer for your sins now.
What?
In chat, does the cat have 9 lives?
Does the cat have 9 lives?
There's a thematic question. There's a thematic question. You have to answer it now.
Yeah, they did, but then it didn't work gameplay-wise, so I had to change it. I'm sorry. If you get up to 9 health, I think we'll have like a special achievement or like item that you get.
Yeah, the basic answer is 9 health fucking sucks.
Yeah, it's really bad.
It really sucks.
Because either we'd have to like increase the amount of
conceptualizing
damage.
you can take and...
Yeah, you'd have to like increase the damage that they take, which isn't good. Because we're doing it, I don't know if you've played like Gungeon or whatever, but it's like you have half hearts currently. So if we had half hearts, then it'd be 18, which is like way too much. But then it kind of feels weird to not have half hearts. And 9 is still like a lot of health. And then taking like, if we made it so you take double damage, that would feel really bad because it would feel like it's taking a massive chunk out of your health. Although doesn't like everything deal double damage in Silksong or whatever for some reason?
Yeah, it does.
Well, maybe we can change.
Yes, everything double damages in Ding Dong. You are correct.
I forgot about
and
that.
It's fucking annoying. Why the fuck does everything double damage in Ding Dong?
That's really funny. Ding Dong.
Yeah.
Should I play it? I like.
Probably.
I want to play it, but it's like no, I don't think I will. I have too many other games to play, anyways.
Like
I do want to find a what? Yeah,
like
I do want to find some games to play that aren't like roguelites or live service games. Because that's like all I play.
Yeah. Wasn't there also a thing that were you gonna do a thing where every floor you go down you lose a life or something like that?
Yeah, I was gonna do that.
That was
and
like
then
a
it was like
terrible
terrible idea.
That's a stupid.
Maybe the cat has to get his 8 lives back throughout the game. That's another possible idea.
Maybe.
But
Possible one.
actually, now that I think about it, hold up, let me pull up the. I think I might have
what's the
actually.
reason deck is in here. Deck.can cast. You don't exist anymore, buddy. I need you to be like a little.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I actually included the that thematic idea in the short description on the Steam page, so I need to change that.
Oh, about losing life over time. Remove that now. That is terrible.
Okay, what do we change it to?
I don't know, just get rid of it.
No, but like I can't, cause it's like a. Here, I can pull it up. This isn't gonna like dox me. Here, you can see my my Steam username, but like whatever.
Oh shit, dude, I definitely can't. Oh no.
Here,
Dante's 9 is a. Oh,
here's the here,
first off, it's a
here.
roguelike, but yeah.
It's a
It's a roguelike
roguelite.
action platformer fused with a deck builder where you use powerful cards to augment your combat abilities. You are Dante the cat. C should be capitalized there, probably. Well, depends.
Nah,
Do we want?
because it's not like
you
a
must sacrifice
title.
your 9 lives on your journey through the depths of the underworld. Oh,
Look at this cool GIF. Oh, can't you like upload videos in the description now so you don't have to like compress GIFs so much? Allegedly.
GIFs look fine.
No, they look fine. But the issue is I mean, they look okay. But they're like super compressed and I can't make them very long because if you make the Steam page too large, it can take too long to load on certain hardware. So I'm pretty sure they added it that you can add like short videos to the description. So you don't have to make like giant GIFs. It's not that like it actually will run slow, but like they don't like it when you have large GIFs in the description.
Yeah, I think you meant like on like slow internet, not on.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant to say. I don't know how computers work. I don't know how anything
Alright, buddy, I want
works.
you to tell me how a modem and router work. Which one does which?
Let me think. The router like distributes the Wi-Fi, right? Kind of.
Okay.
Internet. And then I don't know what the other one does.
So the modem is the one that talks to your ISP.
Yeah,
The modem
I knew
sends a bunch of internet traffic to your router, and your router decides which computer, which connection actually receives that internet information.
Yeah.
And then vice versa is if you have 4 people on a network, it has to know what those 4 people all are asking for. So it sends out that traffic to the ISP, and then it comes back. The ISP is your internet service provider, by the way.
Yeah. Do you know the calc is short for calculator? Alright, bro.
It has to know like which of those 4 people asked for like the Google results for like pastrami or whatever.
Yeah,
And then
pastrami.
like send that to the correct person on the network.
Pistachio.
Clear deck.
Prosciutto.
Equipment used is not fun.
Do you like
It's not a
prosciutto?
thing.
Are you a prosciutto fan?
What?
Do you like prosciutto?
It's a little too tough. I don't like eating
Tough? What do you mean tough?
it. Yeah, dude.
It's like not tough at
tough.
all.
Prosciutto's tough as fuck, dog.
No,
What
it's
are you
not.
talking about?
You having the wrong prosciutto. You like cut it really thin and then it's like it's like falls apart. I don't know what you're talking about. It's literally not tough. I don't think we're eating the same thing. Why do you sound like that?
Why do you, that's what you sound like, dog. That's literally me playing voice clips of you back to yourself right now.
Wait, what?
I can do that, by the way. Did you know I can do
Huh?
that? Huh? See? Huh?
What?
What?
Huh?
What? Hold on. I can go fucking
No,
crazy
please
right
don't.
now.
I don't want to hear my own voice.
No. I can do this, dude. I can do this. Where is it? How do I set this up?
I should pull up the Steam dashboard on stream so everybody can see the release date. We already have it set.
JW, can you meow real quick?
Meow.
There you
Well,
go.
that was pretty good.
Yeah, I know. Thanks, dude.
Meow, meow, meow.
That was loud. It's a lot louder in mine, but
It was like normal volume for me. That was like normal view volume.
it's very loud in my
Where do I
ears,
change
so-
the edit store page? I think technically I can't do this on stream because it's the Steam dashboard, and technically it's legal to show it on stream or like to anybody. Technically,
Kind of true.
people do it all the time, so it's not like they're gonna kill me. But
I think it's time to go back 45 minutes. That's a good one. I get that reference.
but I'm putting video on stream while I change this. I mean, you could just
No.
stare at my card, but
Whoa.
whatever.
Come here, dude. Oh shit.
Go
we
up
can
staring
see-
at the card.
We're getting rid of soul charges, right? Like those are just gone.
What did those do?
That's crazy. Whenever you killed an enemy or hit an
Oh
enemy
yeah,
to
yeah. I
use
forgot
to
about
draw a
that.
card,
I
we're just
forgot
getting
about
rid of
that.
those, right?
Yeah, no, we're getting rid of that. Oh, I need
Alright,
to add a.
That means this actually doesn't need a reference to the deck at all.
I can add more of.
And now we get to go through.
my
And, I think I could probably just pull in-
social medias while I'm
Yeah.
on here, because they weren't all
Fuck,
on there.
there's so
Because
much
I
shit
have
to use
more
this
now.
deck. That's crazy.
Oh, did I
That's
seriously
crazy.
add these on here before I started streaming on Twitch?
Which part is crazy? Is it crazy that he doesn't know what soul charges are when he added them? Is that what the crazy part is? 'Cause I do agree that that is kind of crazy.
That's not that crazy.
That's not that crazy.
It's not that crazy.
Rewind at 45
I
minutes.
didn't.
Catch you later.
No, please.
That's not that crazy.
I don't sound like
What the
that.
fuck? What the fuck? Stop. What did the old code do for this? Whenever I wanted to discard stuff, can I just like? What are the chances I can just say, "Hey, dude, get rid of all your cards"? What are the chances? Would I can just do like a fucking clear hand, and then I can do like void 4 card in hand. Card dot no. Discard card.
Discard.
And dot clear Wilted Rose emoji. Unclear deck. Which I believe will just. Oh shit. I think we would do.
Meow.
Is this also clear what's in your hand? Start digging in your butt.
Oh, sorry.
My fault. My fault, OG. We stream 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Put card is equal to null. And I would like to clear hand, so the entire hand is gone. I would also like to do I need to also clear the discard pile and the draw pile, which I believe should be as simple as doing discard dot clear, draw dot clear. I think. Maybe? These should be first for sure. I think that works. Maybe. I don't know if there's a way for me to even know if these are being held on to. Well, I have ideas. Okay, why do I have kings? Why the fuck? What are you doing? Oh, Hanno just messaged me on Steam or on Discord on Steam.
Philly guy.
Yeah, we stream on Tuesday and Thursday at 6:30 p.m. to about 9:30 p.m. EST, and then we stream on Sunday. We're trying to figure out the right time for that. It's either noon or 2 p.m. or sometime around there.
Like 2, because 2 is
Like
better, because I get to sleep more. I love sleeping.
Better.
Game Devin, more like Game Gavin.
Who's that?
They do Gav in the hot food. I don't know the rest.
Yeah.
I don't even remember what the
Why do they call it the oven when you in the hot, out cold eat the food?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I. Yeah.
Yeah, we got it there. We understood what you were going for. We just know that you don't have like the delivery on that. It's fine.
Yeah.
What are you doing with deck? Deck.draw hand? That's just not a function, buddy. Let's not get ahead of ourselves now. We're gonna cause an error in a moment. Deck.clear mode, not a thing. Don't worry about it. Honestly, fuck it. Do this all the time. Actually,
okay, so what do I change the short
also.
description to? What do I write in here?
Meow, 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 meow. With an ooh at the end.
I mean, I could do that. I don't need to get approval to edit my Steam page. There's nothing stopping me.
You do need approval to not release the game in September.
Yeah. It's kind of funny.
All of this should work. I guess that's a good place to test things. Soul meter? Soul meter. Buddy. I got some bad. Dude, this guy thinks he's living to next stream. Sorry, buddy. Soul meter, you're gone. Nope. Hey, Lois.
Bro got slimed.
I can slime this motherfucker out, right?
Bro just wanted to say
What is-
slime.
Yeah, I can kill this, yes. What is this? Oh, yeah, you're gone, dude. You're like gone as fuck. Goodbye. Goodbye.
What do I write, chat? Chat.
Chat. Oh, fuck. I didn't know I had that mod on. I resemble my not beloved, but he's pretty funny.
He's kind of funny. He's kind of funny
Mainly to make
sometimes.
fun of, yeah. He's kind of got it going crazy though. I don't know whose label this is. This is either the correct label or this is
Here, chat. I
the
can.
false label.
Oh, oops. I'm sorry. I had Biddy's screen up, but then I accidentally tabbed out of his stream, so it was just a blank screen. Oopsies.
What the fuck, dude?
But here you can
man.
see my. I can't see mine on this, can I? Rip. Oh well. Well, here's the text. I don't know what I'm changing it to. I need to get rid of this section here. I don't know how to write.
This is like
At Bitlytic dev
What?
help.
what do you want?
You're good at writing, right? Right?
No, but use your words. What are you asking for? What's the end all be all?
Description. I need to replace this.
You're Dante the cat and you must work your way through
You
the depths of the
don't
underworld.
like that at all.
You must fight your way
Yeah, that's
to the
better.
end of hell.
Nah, we'll combine it together.
You must fight your way to the end of the underworld.
Close enough.
All right, dude. Oh, you're good at writing, right? Oh yeah, here's my writing.
Nah, they're all kind of terrible.
Not that. Fuck you, dude.
And battle
I hate
kind of
this
sounds
guy.
tougher than fight.
Okay, dude. Who says Dante has to be a tough guy? What if he could just be a little dude? He doesn't have to be tough.
We could say you must use like powerful synergies and stuff.
Oh wow, that fixes it, I think.
I'm just trying to think of more descriptive of like what, because this is like battle fight is like super generic, but like saying like use synergies or stickers or pins or whatever. I think synergies is a good word. We gotta use synergies in there somewhere.
You gotta use synergies.
You could take game altering synergies.
No, they're not game altering. Not yet, at least. That seems no. I don't like that. That's too buzzwordy.
Yeah.
It's like mobile game.
Yeah. You're right. It's a mobile game though. It's like mobile game quality.
And you must.
Meow. Meow meow meow.
You must go crazy style with your cards to work your way through hell. You must go crazy style. I don't know, man. That might be the winner.
It might be the winner.
That might be the winner. Oh, none of the fucking sticker pack stuff is gonna work. Whatever. Go crazy style, dude. You don't understand. You gotta go crazy style with those cards, dude. Deck.sticker packs, brother. You ain't making it to... You're gone. That's it. You ain't making it. You ain't making it. Deck display? Dude, what do you think I am? Deck.getAllCards is not a function. That should be a function.
Nice thing is, I've been using my keyboard and mouse, and I wasn't even paying attention, and my wrists are feeling fine for the most part. That's good.
You wanna play some Rivals?
No.
Okay. I mean, that's like kind of lame, but alright. Whatever you say.
Just because they feel fine after them hurting earlier today, doesn't mean I can play Rivals of either two.
What if you were to destroy your wrists?
Yeah, that would be terrible.
Just like destroy your wrist, man. And you'd be like, sorry guys, I can't come into work. You're gonna have to fire me.
That's not how that works.
Hi, my name's John. Sorry, my fault.
Bro just doxing me, alright. Okay, bro.
You literally doxed me earlier.
Okay, Gavin.
What?
The hot food.
The hot food? What?
When you Gavin the hot food.
Bro just called me a hot food. What the fuck?
No.
What the fuck, dude? Okay, I didn't know that's what was going on today on stream, but okay.
Who up cooking the Vaporeon?
No, dude. No, do not the Vaporeon.
Do not the Vaporeon.
45 minutes. Instead of +2 and -2, it should be -45 now. That's our 3 hours.
Okay, that might actually be peak. Typing. You must, I think it needs something gameplay related. What do you do? Like specifically?
You use your cards. You cast your cards.
Well, here is, we already have these mentioning cards.
Are we getting rid of it whenever you melee attack enemies? They stop giving you mana. Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, no, that's no, we're not doing that. Honestly, yeah, we should keep the melee attacking, I guess, but...
What?
I mean, with the new system, we could totally just remove the melee attack.
That's true, yeah.
If we wanted to. I mean, we could... I'd say we should probably test just removing it entirely and see how it works.
What happens if I go into this room? Does it... Uh-oh. Draw hand is not a function. That's fine. I know what draw hand is going to do.
Now my back is hurting because I'm sitting weird. You just can't stop being in pain.
No.
I'm dying from old age.
So I think draw hand will do clear hand. Yes. And then we will do...
Oh wow, it's 9 o'clock. Holy moly.
Size. Draw card.
Holy macaroni.
We don't have hand size. Our hand size.
Meowcaroni. Macaroni and cheese.
I didn't expect to see you streaming. Found your channel recently. It's improved your understanding of coding concepts so much. Thank you. No problem. I'm glad that it helps you.
Yeah, just because he doesn't upload doesn't mean he's dead. I mean,
Alright,
it's a valid assumption, but like,
it is.
He is
it
alive.
is. I know it's been like a gajillion and a half years and shit.
Yeah, he's in my basement. That's why he doesn't upload.
Ooh, that almost worked.
I'll let him out when he finishes my game.
Why didn't that do what I wanted it to? Oh, get all cards is not a function. It literally is, dude. What are you talking about? Get all cards is literally a function. Oh, get all
Also,
card.
I have a question. Does anybody here use Spotify in
I
chat?
do. Oh.
Is it just me, or is the shuffle like algorithm that it uses like always the same? I feel like whenever I go to shuffle like my songs, it'll always just play it in like the same shuffled order every time.
No, that's just you.
Okay, maybe I'm going insane. It seems like every single time I like go to shuffle my songs. Because usually I just play from like my liked songs, so I'm too lazy to make individual playlists. And it feels like every single time it just plays the same order of songs. It like sometimes it literally is the same order of songs, and like I can tell because I just heard them like the day before. So I am going insane, is what you're saying.
I'm so stupid. I'm so
Okay.
dumb, and I'm so stupid.
Good to know.
Stupid. Yeah.
Stupid.
No, I'm actually like kind of not dumb, but like kind of dumb.
Yeah.
Yeah. So for clear hand, I actually need to have a new reference to this, which is going to be a temporary.
I was listening to Bob Dylan at work this morning.
Why were you listening to Bob Dylan at work?
Because he's in the playlist that was playing. Because I was too lazy to like pick an actually good playlist. Yeah.
Fucking going crazy. So if I add a bunch of cards, so I see what was happening. I was actually skipping over cards.
It's okay. It helps me think of Northern Lion while I work, which makes me happy.
Yippee. Why do all of those go to the center of the screen, though, is my new question.
Yes, I think. So what do you do in this game? What do you do in this game? You use cards.
Yeah,
but I already have that in here.
Okay.
You
upgrade them. You apply stickers. You create powerful effects. Use powerful weapons. You are a cat. He goes meow 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 meow. Does that answer your question, or is that not enough? Stupid. Yeah, dude, I know it's missing. I'm coming here to delete the reference to it. Dude, calm down. I know it's not here. Not you.
honestly, I feel like some way of mentioning like maybe mentioning stickers wouldn't be good, but like because it is kind of like a hook a little bit because it's like different.
You don't have to mention it by the name stickers. You could just say upgrade your car.
Yeah.
Customize, upgrade.
Yeah.
Something like that. So why are all of these spawning at the center instead of wherever you're supposed to be spawning, buddy?
And I get rid of like the Dante the cat part and say like customize and upgrade your cards to battle your way through the depths of the underworld. You have card, use card for strong, cat is not 9 life, 9 circle of heck, live heart. What are you saying?
No, that might be a good description. You have card.
Yeah.
Use card for strong. Car is not 9 life. 9 circle of heck. Live hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
That fucks.
Yeah, it works.
Yeah. I can fuck with that.
Do you think I should? I think I want to include Dante in here somewhere, like saying a Dante is the cat.
Oh, so no, Dante's the cat and not the gun.
Yeah, well, it could be the Gungeon. Yeah. I mean, if Gungeon can have like a square gun and like a noodle gun, then like you could have a cat gun. That's Dante.
Wow. You're so brave.
Mm-hmm. The floppy AK-47 is a pretty goated gun, I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big fan of the, what is your favorite gungeon gun that you can think of currently?
Fuck. Oh, no.
Oh, pull up, we
Get
got
out of here.
cheap
Get outta here.
viewers.
Cheap viewers. My ass. God, my favorite gungeon gun that I can think of.
No, I can't think of any either.
I can't, now that you asked me that, I'm
the
actually
Planet
so
gun
pissed.
is
I think
pretty sick.
if you didn't ask me that, I think I could have like said, "Oh, this is my favorite gungeon gun." If you just said nothing, but now that you asked me what it is, I'm like, I can't think of a single fucking gun from the game. My mind was already going to answer that question, and you asked it. So now I have to pull up a list of fucking
were
guns
you
on the
actually?
Gungeon wiki. Yes.
I
was
wish
going to answer
on the
that,
wiki
and
the
my mind
guns
had
don't
something in
display
mind.
like what the projectile is, and it makes me sad because I want to look at all the
What?
different guns, like the projectiles for the
Oh,
individual
yeah.
guns. It shows like the enemy projectiles. I guess we can look through this together. Why not?
I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to remember which one.
I haven't
ones
seen
stick
like
out for
half
me.
of these. I forgot how many guns there are. That's a lot of guns. The regular shotgun's pretty good. The elephant gun's kind of fun.
The shot grip's funny, but
Oh, I love this. The shot grub is pretty good. What's the JK-47?
is that the flaccid one? Yeah.
Oh, that is okay. I thought it was like the. That was called something else.
Nope.
Shot bow is actually pretty good.
I don't like the Crown of Guns. This is one of my least favorite guns. I
It's
hate it so much.
fun, but it's so bad.
There's also
I
the
got
gun
the,
that shoots that you shoot so fast you shoot backwards or you move backwards.
I have not gotten that one.
The Heck gun is actually, or the Heck blaster is also like, I really like this one.
Oh, it's. Yeah, I don't know. I felt like it was really bad when I used it. Maybe I just suck, but.
By the way, we're not even halfway down the page. We have to add this many guns to our game as well, and for like cards specifically.
Yeah, we can get there.
Oh, is the rad gun the one that you can time it? Yeah.
I have not seen that one. I genuinely haven't seen like at least half of these.
I really hate the ones you have to charge.
Yeah, they're not my favorite either.
Demon Head's sick as
The
well.
Demon Head's really good, yeah.
Yeah, I would recommend Gungeon. I think Gungeon's great.
It's so fun. I don't know. It maybe took me a little bit to get into it, but it's very fun.
There's also
The Origami is pretty fun.
Oh yeah.
I got that one on the run that I made it to the secret level.
Good. This is so
I
fun.
hate that gun. It's
Hate
so bad.
much.
It's like worse than the default. Bro, scrolling so fast.
Yeah, dude. These all the. What are these? Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait,
I
go
don't know,
back. What's the
man.
one at the bottom there?
Bottom of here?
No, the bottom of the other one. That's the. Yeah, that's the one if you get that like spawns if you take like a bunch of damage. That one's really sick. There's like a special item that if you take if you get to a low enough health, it'll like give you a ridiculously overpowered gun for like a little bit of time. It's pretty cool.
This one, is it the barrel? I like this one. It shoots out fish.
Oh yeah, I got that one. I beat
Yeah, it's sick.
whatever
What's
his
so
name.
bad about the gun, it's a
What's his
lowercase
name?
r. It
It
shoots
does
out the word bullet. It shoots out like a stream of bullets, and it goes bullet, and it just shoots out the letters that spell out bullet, and each one is an individual bullet, and it's sick. And he hates it for no reason, by the way.
Yeah.
No reason whatsoever.
Oh, the M16 is really good. It's like really basic, but it's really good because it's like it's like one of the alternating ones. So one mag is a machine gun, and the other one's a grenade launcher, and it has like really good damage.
Bullet.
And it has a ton of ammo, and you can also kind of like ammo scum with it by shooting like one bullet of the machine gun and then using the rest, reloading, and then you get the grenade launcher that does a ton more damage but has less ammo.
Yeah.
Because it has like 500 some ammo, and it always pulls from the same pool.
See, they all go to the center, and I don't know why.
It's very fun.
Hmm. Is it because this needs to be deferred? No, that didn't do it. Hmm. I don't understand why these are all clumping to the center, because they definitely shouldn't be. From everything that I can understand that this code is doing, they shouldn't be clumping to the center, but here we are. Where's the card deletion thing? What is it called? Do you remember what the card fall off thing? Card activate? Or
Card activate animation. What else am I supposed to call it?
You're right.
Yeah, it is.
You're right, it is.
That way if we change it later to like not be a dissolve, then it won't. Yeah, that's not a good reason.
Devolve?
Yeah. Devolve? The
Why'd you say
Devolver
devolve?
from
Why'd you say devolve?
from
Gungeon?
Enter the Gungeon? The Devolver?
Enter Gungeon devolve?
I don't even remember what the Devolver does. Oh yeah, doesn't it turn them into like really weak enemies? If you like shoot the guy, I'm pretty sure it does.
Why did this need to do a what the fuck? Okay, dude, whatever. Why are you moving? Why are you moving? You shouldn't be moving.
Meow, meow.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, I kind of want to change that animation for sure.
What is it? The activate.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like, I mean, it should have something when you activate it.
Activate it.
Activate it.
What if I just like made it go up in the air the entire time?
Ew. I mean, do you think it should have the default?
Yeah, I think it should devolve it.
Yeah, devolve. What's the name? Is it Volvy?
Hmm?
Is the guy Volvy? Is that his name? The mascot?
Who?
The Devolver mascot.
I don't know, man. Why is this? Okay, I have a
The literally.
GW.
Okay, the question is, what's the ugliest mascot, or what's the uglier mascot?
No,
Volvy
sorry, that's
or
not a question. We have the answer.
The Volvy's pretty ugly.
What is?
Yeah, he's not that bad compared to Gopher or whatever his name is.
What's
Volvy?
What's ugly? What?
Devolver
Volvy?
mascot? Pretty sure it's Devolver.
Mascot. Volvy. What
How
the
have
fuck
you
is
not
this?
heard of Volvy?
I never heard of this motherfucker. This thing?
Yeah.
Dog. No, I don't like that. It's definitely, he still definitely doesn't
It's
lose,
not as
but
bad as Gopher, but it's pretty close. It's pretty close.
It's definitely not as bad as Gopher.
But I feel like Gopher is like a kind of likable bad. Volvy is just
Choose
kind of
your
like
fighter, dude.
bad. Like I don't.
We're fighter. Man.
Honestly, I'd take Gopher.
You take Gopher?
Yeah, he's just
No.
like silly. He's a goober.
No.
Volvy's
Okay,
just like,
so the
what is
actual
that?
question that I have is, why does this have an activate animation for dissolve, but it also has a timer that determines when it gets deleted?
Don't ask.
Okay, my fault. You're right.
Because I
My
made
bad,
this like.
My bad, OG. You're right.
Look at the. Oops! I accidentally hit the mute button on my mic. Look at the whatever history and see what I made it. It's probably
Oh no,
been
the
like
animation
over
plays
a
at
year.
quarter speed. Why the fuck does the animation play at quarter speed?
I don't know.
Why did we do that?
Because I thought it would be a good idea. Okay, well, I think, I still don't like this. Yeah. Description.
Wait, what?
So I changed it instead
Oh.
of... So I kind of just like swapped out what I had, so now it's here, Dante the Cat, and you must customize and upgrade your cards to battle through the depths of the underworld. But it still sounds a little weird. I guess
Yeah,
it's okay.
a little bit.
I don't know what's better. I mean, I definitely like the having the customize and upgrade cards. But like I did like how it was worded before, where it kind of wasn't just like naming out a list of features. It was kind of like making it sound interesting. Because like the first sentence is kind of like a here's what the game is in like one sentence, and then it's like here's why it's cool and you should get it, and then here's like a yeah. I mean, it's not like people read into this and are like, oh, this sounds cool. I'm only gonna buy it based off of what the description says. But
yeah,
actually, like 90% of people just completely ignore this. But because actually, what most people do is they skim through the trailer and then they skim through the screenshots, and if it doesn't look good, then they instantly leave.
This guy like hates people.
No, I don't.
He hates people.
Not true. Only Bilitic.
Hey, minus 45.
Minus 45. I kind of want a way of saying like you can customize and upgrade cards, but it's like at that point I would need like an extra sentence. It's like
Yeah. I was just thinking that. I agree. Whatever you just said, yeah, totally. Yeah.
you could add as how do you like this? That's better. That's better. So now it's so the full thing is Dante's Line is a roguelite action platformer fused with a deck builder where you use powerful cards to augment your combat abilities. Customize and upgrade your cards to battle through the depths of the underworld as Dante the Cat. Can you reach the 9th circle before it's too late? I think that's good enough.
Yeah, I think so. Probably.
Because that kind of makes it so like the upgrading and customizing cards is like more important than like playing as Dante the Cat. Because like
which isn't exactly
hierarchy.
true.
Yeah, obviously Cat is like more important.
Like way more important.
Way more important.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, and by the way, that last thing of like, can you reach the 9th circle before it's too late is like completely just made up. I don't know what that's talking about whatsoever. Don't tell anybody.
Don't lie to people. We know what that is. No, we know what that is.
I mean,
We know what we're talking
no, we
about.
don't.
We have plans. No, we literally know what that is.
Yeah, okay.
We know so much what that is. All this does is queue free. You fucking bastard. You walk into my home.
Oh, and I'm also going to change the feature list so it's not like really bad. Because technically Steam wants you to have a list of features, but I'm gonna at least change it. So customizable cards.
Hmm. It's like not actually doing anything with the mana, is it? Oh no, this actually does nothing with the mana currently. And it should. Right? Wait. Well, hold on. Wait. Maybe the answer is no. Maybe the deck shouldn't know about mana at all. Maybe we leave that up to the card. Unactivated. You could do stats dot remove mana cost. Oh shit. Stats can cast to attack. Attack does what? Oh shit, I don't have the... I forgot to add mana regen to the player, so the mana just sits there at 5 until I walk up and... Oh no, I don't get mana for hitting enemies anymore. I believe this will also crash if I do like restore mana, right? Yeah. What you doing, JW?
I'm rewriting some of the stuff in the description for store page. Sorry, I'm just trying to think through things. Again, I can't really legally show it on screen, technically.
Fair enough.
I'm obviously not going to get like killed for it, but you know,
maybe you do.
I did. It's possible, and I don't risk it. So, you know, I'm pretty sure if I scroll down to the bottom here, it says Valve Confidential. This restricted access page contains Valve confidential information. You must have a non-disclosure and or a license agreement covering confidential information with Valve to use or access this page. Thank you, Valve. So, yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
So even you're not allowed to see it, because you haven't signed an
I'm not allowed to see
NDA.
it. No.
Yeah, it's over.
Cool. That like mostly works, it looks like. And then if I were to run in there, draw hand.
Okay, they're still kind of terrible, but literally nobody actually reads a feature list, so...
Yeah, okay. Sure, dude. Keep telling yourself that. Where's the feature list on Steam? I don't even know where that is.
It's like in the description. I think,
okay.
I mean, maybe it's not a thing anymore, but when I went through like a tutorial on making a Steam page, it said that it was required that you have to have a list of features.
Okay, I think it's time to end stream. I'm getting
Yeah, that's fair.
tired.
I got my background done. I didn't design any cards, but I fixed the description. Actually, did I change it in both places?
Is at a point that I think I'm happy.
Here we
about
go.
this.
Let me go ahead and publish the
Plus or minus a
changes
couple
before I
things that need to be
forget to.
fixed. The new deck code is in and does things somewhat. Oh, cool. Oh, that's unrelated.
Cool.
Yeah, because there's things that add charges on hit.
Got your last coffee for the day. I love coffee. I work at a coffee shop. I drank lots of coffee this morning. We will see you next time. You should join the Discord because Bitlytic is cool. Or you could join my Discord and tell me how to improve the game. If you join the Discord and tell me to add stuff, I will add stuff.
That's probably true.
Whoa, Temper, that's epic. So true. I'm always right. Well, goodbye.
Alright,
are we raiding anybody?
Yeah.
Do we have anybody to raid with?
I don't think so.
We probably don't. Everybody hates
I don't
us.
feel...
Oh, I was on Video Vision again on a blank screen because I clicked on the wrong thing.
No, we are at 1 viewer on Twitch, so we're fine. We can just...
Okay, well, goodbye, everybody.
Good night, everyone.